Happy episode 420 to you, traders. Welcome to the show on a Friday night. Could be doing anything, but you're here. Really random time that we're live. Whatever, man. Who cares? It was just like, I don't know, I produced 2 static videos and it was like, 420, you kind of want to savor it. You know, day streams have been really lacking, or slacking, I guess, on like just everything. So I was like, we'll just do an in-between stream between day and night. So whatever. But again, thank y'all for tuning in, and we're just looking at Bitcoin right now. Weekend Warrior special again, right? We're breaking to the upside, man. Breaking to the upside. Pretty close to a measured move of the bull pole bull flag at this point. All right, and I'm just looking at Bitcoin, US dollar, and Bittrex, right? Just really because it's like a clean. It was a clean slate for me chart where, you know, I've got all these different ideas and different things going on different charts, so like this one was good for me to just chart. Well, first off, I mean, like, I know this extends up on other exchanges to another trend line, which is great. So 1 and 2, and we've actually broken that down sloping resistance. Okay, so that's one thing, but I want to talk about kind of what's developed now. And I think King Logan and me were talking about this when I was in California. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top, and you've got 75% resistance, 25% support, and you know, you got some support on the heart line. You can clearly see some sort of battleground right there. So you guess what's happening? We're resistance, using that heart line as a resistance, and now we've broken above it. But I have 2 horizontal lines drawn, magenta trend lines, you can see, and we have not broken those. We are right at critical resistance points, one back from January 8th and one around February 24th, a little bit higher. Okay, and you can just see there's December 20th was another resistance point, and then we had support over here from November 22nd. So that we are running up right now, we are really facing that adversity right now. Okay, so don't get cocky, don't freak out, but that's kind of what's going on. Definitely what's going on, actually. All right, let me make that pinpoint accurate. Dang, dude, that wick, we're like right at it. We like broke it for a second into the upside, but really, man, that's it. That's like kind of like we're channeling up sloping now. Right? But it would make sense, right? We also had a symmetrical triangle. We broke out of it, back tested it. That same trend line was really, you know, our down sloping structure, whatever. And, you know, measured move of this size, we know would be up in the golden zone somewhere. All right, so that does give us reason to believe still that it is likely between 4,400 and 5,200 is our zone where we might see a pretty dramatic reversal to the downside, but we'll see. Which one will it be? Okay, we have not even touched 23% retrace. Okay, some could argue and say this is sort of ascending triangle-esque, right, where you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we are at 5 times we've hit this resistance, right? So there's clearly someone selling. They think there's a fair price of Bitcoin at this price, and as soon as if all their orders fill and there's only people buying up at higher levels, 43, 4,400, then this price is going to explode up. That's exactly the psychology of an ascending triangle, right? So you may have 1 or 2 exchanges that literally are just selling all their orders at that 4,100 to 4,200 area. Okay, we'll see what happens when all their orders fill, because they've been trying to fill these orders since December, late December. Okay. Again, good to see y'all. Thanks for being here. IOST, Kangs. We even, like, last night, I believe. Really, last night or in the day stream, we just find the highlight of me saying, hey, you better keep your eye on this one. I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you about IOST. What did IOST do? Up 12 to 15+% today. Give me a break, man. I can only warn you so much. I can only warn you so much, dude. Cup with handle, history repeating itself. What? Cup with handle, beautiful. Part 2. Okay, part freaking 2. All the way up 255 sats, man. And that's not even close to the common retrace that we're looking for from the major discernible swing high way up from May to December, 391 to 564. We're not even close, but people making sick gains on this one, dude. All right. OMG, Kangish. ADA, Kangish, dude. What do y'all even want? Okay, altcoins, doing altcoin spring stuff. It's nice, man. It's real nice. Okay. So I've definitely, created some new variations and stuff for you know, different, you know, tip sizes and all that. It's really just all 420-esque tonight, okay? Man, right there though, right at that resistance, horizontal line resistance from September 3rd, 2018. We've not seen prices like this, okay? Where were we today? We hit 86 on the RSI. Last time we hit 86 on the RSI, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Well, not that one. That one's the same.
Is that a joint?
Dude, I got the munchies, man.
You got the munchies, man? Congratulations on your munchies, dude. I think that happens when you do the marijuanas, alright? Too bad it's almost felonious where I live, so screwed. I'll stick with my alcohol. Okay. Thanks, dude. 420. But yeah, dude, like anything besides 420 is going to be marijuanas, okay? So, yeah, so all-time highs on relative strength in the 4-hour time scale. Beautiful. Highest amount of positive momentum we've seen since August of 2018. Many months. Holy crap, dude. IOST doing things. Seriously doing things. Symmetry, beautiful. Huge downtrend been going on for almost a year, and then things changed. The momentum shifted. Higher lows. Neckline, breaking things. Okay. Could be very smooth sailing. Gotta remember little brother. Now we have big brother. Wow. Love it. Freaking love it. Okay, so that was entitled Bitcoin this. And then, I mean, I guess it's like altcoins getting high, but we looked at 88 and OMG. We did the analysis on them, right? Already. Sorry. But yeah, man, a lot of alts today. It's kind of a mixed bag. I mean, you have some pairs that are doing relatively bad, 2-3% down, but then you have a lot that are 2%, 3% up, and then some that are 10% plus up, right? But the new day happened, you know, about, what, an hour and 15 minutes ago or something like that. So, great, man. I guess we can go to Ethereum, look at our busted pattern that doesn't, probably not even relevant anymore, which is okay. I'm not really worried about it. Alright, blown to the upside. Huge pump, right? So, what do we say? No more. But, hey, it was good, though, that we sold off like that, made that bullish divergence, so that they gave us the second anchor point on the bottom side for our channel. So, running the upside, and clearly at some critical resistance back from March 16th, right? So, continuing to upslope. 100%, why is this off? Oh, yeah, this is the hypothetical. Gotcha, gotcha. All right, so let's see from your high point up here, it's relevant to low point. 50% retrace again, right at it. So, interesting to see if we can keep going up, man. I mean, you know, is there any kind of formal pattern developing right now? No pattern here, dude. Okay, so impulse is up. It happens. Bitcoin showed a bull flag yesterday. We said it looks like we're setting up for higher prices. Verbatim. Literally said that before Jeopardy when we analyzed it, okay, and after. And here we are, close to the measured move of that bull flag combination. Wonderful. And Bitcoin's getting close to that, the top of that channel that we're in, upsloping resistance. Okay. So, Mitch Gray, man. Thank y'all for being here, all 150 of y'all on episode 420, the Marijuanas edition. Okay. Twiddle 2, what's up, Peter Walker, Sharuba, Jeremy S, dude, Wind Moon. Hey, I mean, it all depends on what your perception of the moon is, right? It's like to each his own, right? To each his own moon. Okay.
Is that a joint?
No, that's not a joint. It is 2019. This is a dab rig. Pops.
Dab rig pops? Props? What?
I feel so good.
Hey mom, can you check QKC/BTC when you have time, please? And thanks.
Yeah, man, Curtis, yeah, thanks to the QKC 690. Contribution, dude. Kangs, dude. Yeah, dude. 1941, Greg. Crypto Chef. QKZ. Yeah, dude. That was doing alright, man, right? Can't remember. I look at so many S coins, dude. It's like, I don't know, man. Quark coin. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Doing well, man. Well, it bottomed out way before we thought it would. Interesting. Way before we thought it bottomed out. Okay. Where did it bottom out at? Happened to be 786. What? Hold on a sec. Am I crazy here? Am I freaking crazy? Dude, what am I thinking? Is that Gartley-esque, dude? Somebody? Let's think here. Because I had like bullish shark. Let's see. The lower high. The 618. I think it only hit a 50% retrace, right? From the low point to high point, we hit that 50%, right? X, A, B, C. And then this ended up being D, I guess, 786. But the problem is, if you hit a 50% retrace, that means you normally want to hit an 88% retrace because this would be bullish bat territory. But really, I guess what happened in the end was, see, 50%, right? 88%, right? Retrace, and then 786. 786, and then a 1618 beyond the 1618 BSC. So 170% retrace from B to C. So, hey, kind of Bitcoin-esque in a way, except this. This should have been one more retrace down to 923 to make that valid. So this was off a little bit, right? You got this bullish bat and bullish Gartley combination harmonic, it seems, right? Daily? Was the daily... Oh, come on, dude. Hold on. Let me go back, turn this thing back on. So, did we get any kind of help down here? Oh, we certainly did, man. Look, low on price. Get out of here, dude. Low on price. Lower low on price. Slightly lower low on price at the 786. With what, dude? With what? Class A. Bullish divergence. Where? Not just on the RSI, but also the MACD. Holy crap. I'm kind of upset. Kind of sad. I did not see this one. Dude, you see it? That's all you had. You had that one little nub. It wasn't even an island. It was just like one little scrub out. One little small amount of negative momentum on that lower low, slightly lower low at the fib node. And nice break to the upside. Wow. Okay. Jeez, dude. That's quite beautiful, man. Quite beautiful. Huh. Let's clean it up a little bit. On Quark coin, it's harmonic, that's for sure, but you get it, right? You get what I'm saying. So in this situation, right, I guess maybe if you're in on it, Mr. Quark coin chef, man, well, first target has just been acquired. That's it. First target was hit. This is the way we're going to look at it. Then you'll get your second target. Then your third target, man. You hear me? There it is, dudes. Okay, so I'm not saying it was a valid pattern because it did not meet the criteria in the middle. It hit a 50% instead of a 618, but critical thinking is going to do you well. All right, just like I tried to critically think on XRP and it didn't work out. It just kept selling off. So it seems so controlled. But in this situation, man, just like, you know, you had a 70% retrace, and you have this kind of daily bullish divergence, man. Come on. Get ready, dude. Get ready. Okay, so, Crypto Show, that held, man. That's beautiful looking pattern. Despite it's the, what do we call it? The Bartley, the bullish Bartley pattern. Yes, dude. I know all you on the marijuanists love the bullish Bartley pattern, okay? Oh my God, man. Fusion, dude. Wow. So 1141 would be the second target, and the last target would be 1375 if we could ever get there. Okay. Well, that's not it. Wrong button. Hologram. The conductor, man, oh my god.
Can we look at XRP to BTC? Looking to enter at 7,400 slots.
Is that a joint?
Conductor, man, sure do. We'll look at it right now. Thanks, man. For the 1777, repeating, of course. Dang, dude, you could have made it 1 cent off and made it much more American. Okay. Ooh, getting there. We're getting there, man. We're making our way, aren't we not? Yes, we are. Got close to that entry zone, but not quite. What was it you were saying? It was 74. Because you know the 7400 though is higher. I mean, we already hit 7400, right? We sold off, and right. So you, I'd be looking for an entry between 7328 and, well, actually, let's move this down just a little bit, dude. How do I? Okay, being pinpoint accurate. So that 74.8 16. Let's do this right. So you have the 1618 right here at pinpoint accurate 3295, or sorry, 7295. 7300 is the 1618, and that's only a 74% retrace. So if we were to the 78% retrace on the dot, that is right at 7,089. Look left. Looking left, that is a critical support, where here we are right now. All right, so I don't know if this will hold. It might. It very well could. That one wick, not very strong though. All right, so the zone of entry, not quite there yet, as it seems. The 1618 and the 786. Okay. So, whatever, man. But beautiful, beautiful. October inception. Bullish cipher pattern, potential bullish cipher pattern, and we're getting closer and closer to that entry every day, man. All right, very cool, very, very cool. Whew. Let me know if that helps, dude. Okay, we just pulled up the magnifying glass and went in to look at the entry zone. All right, cool stuff, man. Cool. 7295 to 7,089. All right, sweet dude. Anyway, we'll get through some chat. Do we get Podcoin in honor of Scrubbage, dude? Hi, I'm Pot News. Dude, don't look at this crap, man. So long, dude. Momo shift though, definite Momo shift. Something's happening on Pot News. So much chop though, just so much wickage and crappage, dude. Ugh. God, it makes you just not even want to mess with it. It's so bad. Good God. Alright, hold on. Dude. Low liquidity Altcoin out the yin yang. Okay. I don't know, man. Maybe we'll look at it in a minute. I'll turn my air conditioning on. It's getting hot up in here. Okay.
Is that a joint?
Can you look at MGTI, Chinese or Moon?
Goes for living. Thanks for the 444 repeating, of course. Much love, man. Man, thank you, man. Oh, dude, looks so Chinese, dude. Oh my God, looks like a bankrupt asset, dude. That's what it looks like to me. Dude, I wouldn't touch this thing, but hey, whatever. Oh my God, dude.
Is that a joint?
Private Miller, you've been smoking item 9 for 7 minutes and 13. Do you feel? Ah, well, sir, I feel like a slice of butter, melting on top of a big old pile of flapjacks. Yeah.
Is that a joint?
Appreciate it, brother. Happy 420, victory, and I was looking at the pattern more as a falling wedge than a bullish cipher.
Hey, we can both be right, man. But Fibonacci, man. If you can converge that fib, the extensions, dude, that's why harmonics are so powerful, dude. Because you're converging two different anchor points, two different fib nodes, and this is the zone where it's getting froggy, right? Getting real deep. So though you may be in a falling wedge, it can be irrational long, you can stay solvent, but we know this is what people are looking at, man. Geometry, dude. Repeating repeatable patterns, right? That's it, dude. So though we might be in that falling wedge, man, still hopeful for this thing, right? This area. Okay, so holy crap. Someone wanted me to, thanks for all the marijuana's contributions. I mean, every tip will be, is that a joint tonight, just because it makes sense, right? In honor of Elon and the marijuana's, right? I mean, it's an OTC, dude, so what do you think is going to happen, right? I mean, how do I even begin here? Okay, like, what am I supposed to do here, dude? Okay. No, it's terrible. It's just terrible. It's like all-time lows. I mean, I get it. I know why you're like, is this time? Is it time, man, to rise? Because you're seeing crazy. You already got the pop, though, on the divergence, right? It's not even that great. But, I mean, I guess I understand what you're talking about. You're like, I like this. Right, is it a falling wedge? I mean, kind of, yeah, but it's not valid. There's not 5 touch points, there's only 4. So yeah, maybe you get another shot down here at 94% of 1 cent or something, right? I mean, maybe, dude. I don't know, man. Like, what do you want from me, man, on these? These are just so bad. Like, if you're gonna play it, you probably want to go to the lowest risk area again, down to like 1 cent or something. Chug one marijuana.
Is that a joint?
Phil Centura tipped $25.
Drive,
Chug
monkey,
one
drive. Whew. Now the variation's still on. Don't forget that. I only changed that the one variation, like the main one. So it's still there, dude. It's still there. But yeah, I am gonna get another beer. So you did remind me. Hold on, like 2 seconds, okay? MGTI, man. Probably Chinese, but kind of looks inverse Chinese, I guess, because of the wedge. But dude, the prevailing trend is absolutely abysmal, man. It's like hard to, yeah.
Is that a joint?
One more, can you check out the mother of S coins
Grin?
/BTC, please? Looking for targets.
Grin versus Dentacoin. Decentralized grins, decentralized teeth, dude. They're rivals, man. Thank you for the shit, man. Yeah, we'll look at it. Let me get this beer, okay? Let me pour this beer, man. 2 seconds, man. Alright.
Is that a joint?
I've been enjoying the day shorts, thank you.
Thanks, Beeswax, for $5 contribution. Although and Emily, thank y'all. Love y'all. Kings and queens. Beauty BTC, really good, man. Thanks, 100 biddies, man. Thank you. Hey, Varian, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic.
been smoking since I was born. Man, I can smoke anything, man. You know, like I smoke that Michoacan, and Acapulco Gold, man. I even smoke the Tide Stick, you know?
Is that a joint?
Did you smoke Tide Pods, dude? What? Bubba Cushman, thanks for the 420 contribution. Gang, take gangs. I guess we'll do, is that a joint for the Rendinka?
Is that a joint?
There you go, dude. Alright, that was for you. Your biddies, man. Everything, every contribution is that a joint tonight? Okay. You're looking for targets, huh? On Grin Connect. Dude, I don't even know, man. Just bear with me, like, go to the bottom side. More likely. There it is. I rock for the win. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic, dude. Kings. Okay, so we broke the down-sloping structure 1 and 2 and 3 on the top. Okay. Honestly, like, what was it? You were like, oh, is that a wedge, man? Is that some sort of wedge? Yeah, kind of. Is it, though? Is it really a wedge? Because, like, when you got out of it, you just kind of just kept selling off, like, terribly, right? So we're just going to keep it like a channel. Fibbing from the height, I guess, of the structure to the low point. Hey, look, dude, you're not even at the 23% retrace yet, dude. Okay, so, I mean, if you were to make a just common retrace from the selling point, I mean, from the beginning of the structure, from February 10th, I mean, you're looking for anywhere between 101,917 and 129,844. That's just your golden zone. That's it. It's not really... I mean, dude, how are you going to get there right now? You're not, dude. You're about to sell off, like, now, probably. You're at 78 on the RSI. You can go up higher, sure, I guess, but random S coin, dude. Random S coin. You did have, I guess, some bullish divergence on the way down. Oh, did you? No, I guess you... No, you didn't have any. You had bearish convergence. Yeah, dude, this wasn't a very good setup. So, hey, if you're in it, man, congratulations, but... I don't know what to tell you, man. This is just, it's only been around since mid-February or whatever, and it's now touching the 200 moving average, and it's extremely overbought. It's very overbought right now, okay? So, whatever, man. I don't know, like, what to tell you. All I can tell you is Fibonacci right now, because there's no formal structure, patterns, anything like that, I guess, right? You want to call that a double bottom? Go ahead. You want to call it a double bottom? That was the pinnacle right there. You just measure... You're breaking it, you're measuring, it's going up to 90,352 or whatever. That's it, dude. Oh man, it's loud. Sorry, dude. Sometimes the music gets louder and louder than I would expect. Okay. Should be okay right there. Okay. Okay, man, so you can think about it like, do you want to use Fibonacci on this S coin, or do you want to use measure move a potential double bottom that we just now broke? We just broke out of it. Just broke out, and we're overbought. On a pretty significant time scale. Daily, you don't have any data. Like, there's not enough candles to do anything, really. So, whatever, man. Okay, that's your Grin Connect. QKC looked a lot better, right? Boy, Grin. Okay, so... Not been able to look at much chat, but hey, cheers, all you marijuanas peoples. Okay. Is it only the full moon 420? Let me know. Thanks. Yeah, Turtle Man. Yeah, top 10 coin, man. 2019. Yeah, dude. Totally, man. Is IOST done running? Not really. Not in the midterm.
Is that a joint?
That's right, dude. Send out the Raven coins for House Harmonic. Or will we send it from House Harmonic to the other houses, right?
Is that a joint?
How do you get a one-armed stoner out of a tree? Wave?
How do you get a one-armed stoner out of a tree? Wave, and he'll wave back, and then if he waves back, he'll then fall. Is it like the guy in my thumbnail? That guy, dude? You know what I'm talking about, right? The high guy. Thanks, Obi-Wan OG Kush, man, for the 420 contribution. Gangs, dude. Kangage. Okay, so we looked at XRP. Right? We looked at Bitcoin, we looked at Ethereum. We looked at Greencoin, we looked at QKC, IOST. Look at it. Can I look at Cardano? Joshua Vin, have you not seen my static video I did today on Cardano? 5 minutes. That's all it took was an analysis of Cardano, man. So I'm gonna answer your question with a question. Get back with me. Thanks, Joshua. Okay. Ethereum's on the run, Adam Warren. Oh my God, man. What's up, Pearl? What's up, Julia? What's up, Crypto Raid? Yeah, that's right. Tetra Dragon. Well, thanks for being here, man. Much love. Okay. What's up, Peter Freeman? Balls deep, dude. Sounds like y'all were having some drama a little earlier before the stream even started. Hope y'all got that resolved, man. Whew. Seriously. Let you guess. What about it, Wonderful Bricks, man? What am I supposed to do, man? Yeah, I guess I'll just I found out a way to grow my sub count by doing nothing that hurts the viewer. But hey, man, if you got a problem with it, let me know. Yeah, my sub count has exploded since I started making static videos, dude. Doing the exact same thing I do on stream, but just in 5-minute formats. It's crazy, dude. So Nick Smith, man. Noble Toker, welcome. John R, hello. Oh yeah. For good reason. For good reason. YXTZ has been running. Why? It just like the others, man. It broke down slipping resistance points, multiple ones, and now it's Moon. And it has now, look, it surpassed the 618. It's now back testing a big bearish engulfing candle, developing right now on the 4-hour. It's okay. But dude, look, man, from the height of the structure to the low point, golden zone, right? Golden zone right here, dude. There it is. So we had really, you know, the crazy equidistant channel, then turned into a parallel channel, really, right? You know, you had anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom with heartline support, beautiful, okay? And then we were off the races. So many other pairs have been doing this. This is not special, even though it is special in its own right, just because it's been beautiful, man. It's been very good, but now you're starting to show that RSI, bearish divergence, right? High on price, higher high on price, outside the golden zone, lower levels of relative strength. So that's class A bearish divergence, man. But nice little, it's slightly bullish convergence, almost class C bearish divergence, where we make a higher high in price and double top on the histogram, right? So all right, we'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at some bullish convergence. But hey, man, it's getting weird, right? Because you're at these levels. Look, all this resistance here, you're breaking it, but you're not able to sustain above it, and that's what we call false breakouts, right? So after such a large move like this, it's going to be tough. Okay, going to be a lot tougher to get above these areas after all this moving. Okay, so hey, it'd be no problem to stall here. Hold. Hey, if we can hold support right here, dude, I'll be very impressed with, what is it, Tezos? Top 100 coin, top 50 coin, whatever. I think top 25, top 10, maybe not. I don't know. So yeah, man, this thing's been on a tear. It's beautiful, man. But this was like this is the exact same type of stuff we look at trade setups, right? You bottom out, you make higher lows, you break it down something structure, and then you're in another one. Beautiful, like a double bottom, right? You could have interpreted that way. With double bottom, measure move easily hit. But even just using Fibonacci from the height of the structure, you have exceeded the golden zone and are now back testing the top of the golden zone. Wow, wonderful on Tezos, dude. Great, dude. Great. Okay. Unreal, man. What's up, Eric Coffee, dude? Ryan Phillips, One Man Army, hello. Ugh, BTC, what about it, dude? Ugh, what about? What is it that Carlos Matos said? He says, the world is not the same as it once was or something, but he says it really stupid, like someone with a low IQ. Okay, can't remember. That guy really does have like a really low IQ, unfortunately. He's like, whatever. It's a Walmart Jello, dude. You loving the 420 vibe? Hey man, we got another one coming up. April 20th, gonna be the same type of stuff. We'll probably change it up a little bit, but thanks man, I'm glad you enjoy the investment. Yeah, the devil's lettuce. Exactly. What's up, Mitch Gray, Crypto Cracker Man, Crypto Cocktail Chris, hello. Sorry, just trying to get to this chat. And my chat resets, so I have to like scroll back up to keep up. 420 pump. Danny White, is that what it is? Everything's just getting high on crypto, man. 420, dude. Or the cryptos are getting high on weed, dude. John Legend, deep, dude. Leander Chua says, Neo having a nice day at least. Yeah, it sure is. It sure is, like the rest. It's been pretty good. Crypto 2 times, man. Smoke a joint, dude. Yeah, smoke a joint, man. It's like Felonious here almost. Okay, leave me alone. Bungie Project, Rising Wedge. Cardano's on a mission? Yeah, it is, dude. Check out that 5-minute video. But check out the previous videos I've done on Cardano too. We were critical resistance points, remember that one? And then we broke it, and then we became kings. Okay. What's up, Rich Miz, dude? What's the play on 88? Smitty Dot. Hey, anyone who's in here, go check my 5-minute video out that I did today. Come on, dude. It's literally just, you can stop watching this and go watch that and then come back. It's okay. You're not going to miss too much. I'm just engaging chat. I've been doing analysis most of the stream now. Okay. Oh yeah, is Grincoin the coin to mine right now? Flavor of the second coin is what we call it, Ryan Phillips, not flavor of the minute. Okay, flavor of the week, whatever. Oh god, don't even get me started on Tron Connect, dude. Tron Connect, that loser Justin Sun, booger picking, booger eating, scrubbed from China in a hotel room. Liar. He's a freaking liar. But go figure, that culture is pretty much based on lying and deception, okay? Like, that's all it is now. You're like born into it, okay? Your government leads the way on that. Okay, so go figure. S-Coin. Scam. Tron's a huge scam, dude. Okay? But hey, maybe we can trade it. Whatever, dude. Holy crap, dude. That guy is such an idiot, dude. What a liar. Blatantly lying to everyone on his Twitter, dude. I mean, how did the events go again for Twitter? What he did? Alright, so he here's his quote. And happily decided to give away 2 Teslas to further my mission of creating transparency, reliability, and openness about blockchain. I want to explain openly and clearly what happened with the giveaway I announced earlier to clear up some confusion. And then it's like, this is what happens. He uploaded a video where the Twitter profile of the winner is popping up before he even drew, before he had drawn. Right? He congratulated the guy that won the Tesla. He then deleted the video, saying Twitter had problems compressing the video. The community decided to check what was going on. He randomly added a parameter that people can only win when they twittered #TRX at least once. The drawing process was done more than 80 times. The winner did not get the Tesla, but a ticket to the Tron Summit. So, yeah, that's literally what happened. Wow. Screw Justin Sun. Screw Tron. Tron Connect holds true. We'll never call it Tron again. It's going to be Tron Connect. I don't want to ever hear people saying Tron in this chat ever again, okay? It's Tron Connect. Thanks. Wow. People lacking in scruples trigger me, dude, okay? How many minutes in live stream? I don't know when you said that, but currently 46 minutes and 38 seconds in. Oh yeah. Sahar. What's up, Lee Plot? No, what's up, Mr. President? You said you told me yesterday. Weren't we saying Bitcoin was setting up for a higher price? Am I high? Did I not say that in the night stream last night? Last time you saw me live, we were saying, hey, yeah, it looks like bull flag. I mean, what, you're drinking coffee in the White House? Okay, not allowed to drink beer. Thanks, Mr. President, for chiming in, dude. Thanks, dude. Big round of applause.
Is that a joint?
Holy crap, dude. People like viewing those quick updates. Well, yeah, man, I'm sure they do, but I don't even know what the... It was like a passive-aggressive thing from Wonderful Bricks. I don't know what he was meaning when he was doing that. And then all the dots. That's really passive-aggressive, dude. Don't you be dotting me, dude. Okay. Whew.
Is that a joint?
A stoner called the fire department and said, "Come quick, my house is on fire." The fireman asks, "How do we get there?" The stoner says, "Duh, in a big red truck."
Nice, dude.
Marijuana's bad.
Wow, dude. I don't even know what to say about that one, man. Vietnamese laughing grass. Thanks so much for the 420. Alright, it's the Alabama Devil's Lettuce. Alright, here. Excuse me, that's why I have to drink beers. Okay. So,
I feel so good.
Is that a joint?
Can't stop, won't stop. Can you please check TGB/BTC? Thanks, my Ann.
yes. Can't stop, won't stop. Dave Chappelle, Kings, dude. Alright. Yeah, we can look at DGB, dude. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at WPR too.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, dude. Season 8, Episode 1, Divergence is coming. Hey, we're on Season 6 of Game of Coins, which is the streaming, pretty much my streaming career, doing this, okay? Season 6 right now. Just in the midst of it, okay? Started out pretty bad, too. Pretty rocky. It's like, you know, sometimes it'll be a good beginning, but then sometimes it starts out just terrible. Okay. Sorry. DGB. Dumping. It's continuing to dump, man. Oh. It's like, right, look, that support back from June 25th. Okay, first off, context. I'm just go daily on this one since it's such a drawn out channel. Okay. With an upsloping support somewhat, I guess. So, what we do, we had this 75% trend line over and over and over and over again, and we were getting squeezed. We had support here. If you fell below this support, you were so screwed, man. Okay, because there was no real formal support until about 189, 158, and then below, right? That's not even a strong spot, like one wick, right? So you had to hold. You did hold. You double bottomed and had a nice move to the upside. It seems like you definitely hit some sort of measured move with the wick, and you hit the top of the down sloping resistance before selling off. And the problem is now on DGB, it's just you're closing below all three moving averages on the daily. You're trying to make a comeback, but look at all this negative momentum, and there's plenty of room to get it to become oversold if we wanted. If we wanted to keep selling, we very well could. No formal structure developed right now. It's just down, just red candles over and over and over, right? So can't talk about any kind of pattern. So no pattern, no daily bullish divergence at all. Low to high, you're below the 618, dude. Very ugly, very, very ugly. Very little opportunity, it looks to me, on this chart. So what is it, man? That's like I literally have this mixing bowl and there's literally nothing in it, dude. Right? Nothing. I can't throw anything in it, dude.
I remember that season 1. Thanks for checking all my coins, man.
I feel so good.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Crypto Chef, man, for the 690. Times 3 now? No, times 4 maybe. Maybe 4 690s. Holy crap, dude. Thank you, man. Oh, it feels so good. Verge coin. Because 690 pennies, right, dude? DGB Connect. Not set up well at all, dude. Okay. So maybe expect 271 sats in the coming days, right? 271, 786. Okay. Not even really holding support. You're like, you fell below it, you're now back testing the old support as resistance, right? Dude, this not, there's no opportunity that I see. Maybe I'm crazy here for a long anyway. Okay. And there's just, you've retraced too far for it to be a low risk short, which I don't think you can do on this pair, but you get it, man, right? a sec. I'm just moving on, man. Moving on to the next one, dude. How about that, man? Wow. Was it a channel or was it a wedge? It almost looks like a channel, but dang, dude, that's so close. Right, like WPR, right? Weed power. Get it? Weed power. Chat.
Is that a joint?
No, it's not. So I guess what we just play with this one, man, is go from that major high up there to low, and know since we broke out, we have broken out, yes, and we've also what?
Is that a joint?
XMR bullish divergence on the daily, Ring Dingo, man. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we'll look at it. Thanks, dude, for the biddies, man. The bits on Twitch. So we back tested, right? Back tested. Yeah, looks like a bullish engulfing, kind of, not really. So impulse up, maybe down sloping consolidation, and maybe we could run again. But we know if we do run again, probably the golden zone. I mean, I know the golden zone from that high point to low point is here, right? Between 454 and 576. But the others be like, it's just bump and run, right? Bump and run would be like target right here. Well, oh my God, really, dude? Go figure, right? Yeah, a bump and run target is always the 100% retrace, top of the structure, right? 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. We broke it. And secondary target's gonna be the 1272, right around 485, whatever, right? You go high to low on the fibs to get your second target. So, wow, man, how about that? How about that? Bump and run or falling wedge, doesn't matter. It really could just be a channel that you broke out of. And yeah, that first target's gonna be 454 no matter what if you're swing trading this, okay? So there you go, Phil, man. Gangs, dude, gangs. Sorry your chug didn't work out, dude, okay? I got a good feeling about tonight. I feel like no one's gonna be able to make me chug anything, dude, okay? So, because 420 is luck or something, or bad luck for some, or I don't even know how it works, but you get it, man, okay? Thanks, dude. All right, there you go. WPR, weed power. Weed power. Whew. But I don't think XMR has bullish divergence. How could it, man? Especially on the daily, dude. How? It's only making higher lows over and over and over again. Higher lows equals an impossibility of making Class A or any kind of bullish divergence for that matter. Okay. Hey man, my stuff's not showing up. What in the world? Gosh dang it. Okay, been in a downtrend forever. We actually did a video on it, or it was really a stream. We did a live stream on it. We broke out of a formal structure we had been in for over a year. Formed a symmetrical triangle. There's a miniature little bat pattern, okay, or close to it as a variation, just a variation between the bat. It was the Bartley, right? And sold off, and we just keep hitting this bottom trend line, right? And we're just holding support for now. And so if we were to break the upside, which we think we very well could, measure move of this symmetrical triangle, bread and butter, dude. Simple trading stuff, okay?
Is that a joint?
A Jamaican walks into a bank with a 25 kilograms bag of marijuana and hands it to the cashier. Shocked, the cashier asks, "What's this?" The Rastafarian replies, "I'm here to open a joint account."
Wow. Oh my God, man. That was awesome, dude.
Marijuana's bad.
Dude, thank you, man, for the 420 contribution and the jokes, dude. One of these days I'll be like, alright, thanks, dude. So you get it, right? Bread and butter. The way one would trade this is one would get in at the bottom. The lowest risk area is the bottom trend line of the symmetrical triangle, and then you just hold it as long as it takes until we get to the top of the triangle. And the thing is, we're too deep within this triangle to actually make a good reward to risk ratio. Okay, margins just aren't good. But if you can break it, again, that measure moves way up here. Okay, but you could think about it like this too. From the high point to low point, one could think about maybe having a first target at 50% retrace around 14,699 sats, just because maybe we don't get to that measure move because it's beyond the golden zone. The golden zone's between 382 and 618, 13,976 and 15,421. Sorry, not 420. Yeah. So yeah, man, XMR has broken out of a channel, and it is consolidating still, and it's getting deep within the maturation of the consolidation pattern, which is the symmetrical triangle. That's it. Let's be kangs, and run on the upside at least for some sort of retrace. That's it, dude. Holy crap. Dude, I don't even know, man. Sorry, let me get through some chat real quick. We've analyzed a decent amount. What was that WPR? What was the one before? Oh yeah, MGTI. Holy crap. Can we get a sound check? Can y'all hear the music? It's like I can barely even hear the music on my side, man. Oh, Sharuba. Oh, I know you. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic, brother mine. Kangs. Straya. Roll Tide Pods. Don't you dare say that, Kang looking man. Sorry, getting to man. I've missed a lot of chat. I haven't been able to engage with chat much tonight. Okay, y'all, please, just bear with. Fish one, yeah, dude, fish. Missed too much. Y'all having too much fun without me. Okay. Dang it.
Is that a joint?
Confucius say, man standing on toilet high on pot, speedy.
Ain't on. There's the 420 contribution, dude. Dude, am I gonna be a weed wizard tonight? Am I gonna be like Gandalf and what was the other one's name? Radagast, something like that. Radagast, maybe. Oh my god, man. They're doing the marijuana, dude. We don't even know about it. Okay, they're defeating Sauron high. They're handicapping themselves, man. Beautiful. Yeah, and if you're enjoying this 420 episode live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. If you want to see this channel grow and excel and really have more influence than Trayvon James, dude. Really? How does that guy have more influence than me? That's like a crime on humanity, dude. Okay, someone that's such a scammer, affiliate marketing scammer like that, has more viewers, more subs, more everything than me. How? It's crazy, dude. Okay. Y'all know it's crazy too. Neo's finally doing, man. Dude, I remember like months ago we're talking about Neo, right? Doing that stuff. Argartha. Asgard, is that you? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic. Kings. Inquins, whatever. Dash broke. Did it, man? Did it break, man? You know, I mean, kinda. It's like really not that great. I mean, yeah, it did. It's not hit any kind of targets that we would want. I mean, dude, even the measure move of the bull flag was like 26,000, and we're not even close to it, man. And just kind of selling off a little bit right now. That one's kind of disappointing, I guess. But I mean, it's not like we didn't get into a good position on that one. That's right, Phil's in chair. Weed power, dude. Of course I am, Mass Adaption. Are you enjoying those games? I know you are, dude. Thanks for the comment on the video. Probs, man. Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
Ripple to the coin. Cheers, man. Uncle Mitch.
Jake Grout tipped $104.20. Ripple, sleepy face, baby. Titty coin, smiley face, baby. Cheers. Have some beer, Uncle Mitch.
Give a
I'm
big
gonna
round.
have breasts eight. Clinking boobin mug.
What? My bad, dude. I thought it was over. Clinking boobin mug. Boobin mug. Boobin mug. Hey, y'all. Probst. Well, not Probst literally, but his wife had a baby, and he is now the Faja. Russian Probst. Kangs. And I was saying, well, at least we know the empire will at least exist one more generation, probably many more beyond that, depending on what Jacob Probst does, man. Or Jake Probst, right? You gotta have the, it's like the, you know, if you have Growl, Jake Probst, whatever, Jake Growl, it's like fast, right? It's wonderful, dude. You know, Jeff, not Jeffrey Growl, no way, dude. Jeffrey Probst, though, not bad. Dude, thanks for the 104.20, dude. Get it?
Is that a joint?
Now I do get it. I actually didn't kind of get it on the number until I saw it, but I was more interested in what you were saying. But holy crap, man. Dude, it's looking like it's going to be a Gandalf type of night, right? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Poggers, dude. Too many poggers. When will the Chinese Maple Leaf Appreciation Day be celebrated? Richard Dunhill? Dude, you're right, man. Dude, I forgot all about that, dude. I had it in my calendar, too. Chinese Maple Leaf Appreciation Day. Sorry, man. Maybe we'll just say it's today, dude. Okay. Jeez, man. Whew. What in the world, man? Cannabis dogs are so hot right now. Who knew? Yes, they are, dude. Richard Dunhill is a vault of cannabis. Well, that's good, dude. You're like Scrooge McDuck. Scrooge McDank, dude. Oh, yeah. Scrooge McDank. Love it, man. Wow. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Excuse me. Alright, we're just going to look at NEO to BTC. Why not, right? I mean, I could look at either one. Doesn't matter. But look what we did here, dude. Look at this, man. Look at we just bounced off that bottom trend line like Kangs, dude, and went with it. So, yeah, currently sitting 24, 26 sats. And we know we've got a long, long way to go still. And then even much longer. We want to get to better door, man.
Is that a joint?
Please
Can we
clap.
look at the total crypto market, brother?
Total?
Happy day of the lettuce. Don't cross your eyes.
What happens if you cross your eyes, dude? Thanks for the 1420 contribution, dude. Total. We can look at total, dude. Thank man. Holy crap. Monero in the jar. We have a well-diversified jar. Well, actually, no. We have a lot of imbalance. We have a lot of marijuana jar. A lot of marijuana emojis with Tesla. So, I don't know, man. But up here is the golden zone, the top of the golden zone, right? 68.45. Sauron himself. What are you talking about, right? Well, I'm talking about right here, dude. Talking about after the extreme, intense, unrelenting selling that's been going on since January 2018. So, man.
Is that a joint?
Chat. Can we hit that 420 like milestone today?
Probably not, dude. I mean, we have 170 people watching. How are we gonna get 420 likes, dude? I just don't see it being likely. But hey, knock your socks off or something doing it, dude. Thanks for that. What was that crypto contribution, right? Yeah, dude. Thanks for the Litecoin, man. The 421 Litecoins, Litcoins. All right. Awesome, dude. So. Remember, downswing structure we've been in from January, what was it? Yeah, February, January of 2018, all the way down to November, right? 11 months, or 10 plus months, right? Made one slightly lower low than the previous low. Had nice divergence from the low to the lower low. Higher levels rolled strength. Not really pictured anymore. And then Kangage, right? Kangage, we have reversed our price action to the upside. And the thing is, remember what we were talking about last time we analyzed NEO? We had not seen, we had not even touched or tasted the 200-day moving average since May of 2018, right? Going on April now, dude. And we're now touching it again, finally. And what's happening, dude? We're breaking above, and this price action can continue. We are right now. Ladies and gentlemen, can you believe it, man? Let's zoom in. Get the magnifying glass out. There it is. The golden cross has occurred literally today. All right, y'all.
Please clap.
Golden cross on the daily on NEO. Let's go, baby. It's green for marijuanas. Can't believe it, dude. Wow. Cheers to that, man. Beautiful, dude. When's the last time we had a daily golden cross on NEO? And as soon as we got it, boom, nice impulse, right? All right, daily golden cross. We've never actually had one because there was never enough data. So, ladies and gentlemen, on the Binance exchange anyway, there might be a one with more data, right? But on this exchange, we've never had a golden cross until literally today, covering it on episode 420 of TA with Mitch Ray. Thanks so much for being here for the discovery. All right, so we know. And we're not even fibbing from the all-time high, right? We're fibbing from the major daily discernible swing high right here, right? The top of the right angled and ascending broadening formation that we bearishly broke out of like we should have, right? That's where we're fibbing from. So not even that crazy. It is not crazy to believe in a few months, or a couple months, however long it would take, we could retrace between 4,887 and 6,845, okay? All right, so we're still kind of in Bree. You know, this is Lord of the Rings journey, all right? 382 is going to be Rohan, and then the 50% is going to be like kind of beyond that. It's going to be like Spider and Smeagol, and 618 is Berador. Okay, that is the tower, or Mount Doom. Okay, sweeted. So why do we bounce? Why was this the bottom? Look what we did, man. December 15th, our lowest low was back to the pre-Great FOMO levels, right? The lowest low we had seen. December 2017, dude. See what happens on NEO, dude. There you go, man. It's green. It's 420 episode, or episode 420. And we just had a daily golden cross for the first time ever on the Binance exchange. Wow, man. That's a big deal, dude. Big deal, dude. Oh my god, dude, we should look at Cardano even though you did a video on it earlier in the day. Like, what? Big you go, Crypto Miro. That was for you, dude. You were targeted. I will not get ejected from the game. Probes knows. Look at all the babies. It's officially Tron Connect now, yeah. Oh, it's because he's a meme? Is that why? I got you, dude. So, Van Life, Mr. Purdy, dude. Imagine, like, being an affiliate marketer scammer and then, like, trying to bounce back and then be an affiliate marketer for Tron's Classic, Tron's, like, whatever, dude.
Is that a joint?
Kango Tomo.
Thanks for Jeopardy last night. Ultra rad. Can't wait for next one.
2 weeks.
Also, I'd like to rub it in. Suko is a simple boy with the crown for a week. I'd like to thank Mitch Ray Ford and educations. And my parents. My dad who made me. And the school for kids who can't read.
And the school for, it was the center. It was the center for kids who can't read good but who can also do good things too, man, or something. Kango Tomo, thanks so much. Yeah, our reigning champ. More points than anyone's ever gotten in the history of the show, even though there's only been 2 episodes of it. But his dad made him. His parents made him. And I'm sure Mr. Dame would be quite proud, too, if he was in here, okay? But I'm sure he's out doing things. Thanks, Mr. Kangatoma, for the 3, 2, 1. Kangs, baby, Kangs. Oh, man. We're doing things, baby. We're doing things. What's up, Chaz Garcia, dude? Welcome, man. Welcome. Crazy world we live in, alright? Crazy world. Name the kid Cardano. Yeah, that's a good idea, Probes. Maybe you probably still have time. Maybe just make it a middle name, okay? Because, you know, was it Jacob Walker Probst? It could be Jacob Cardano, which is Jacob Runner Probst. It would be a pronoun for runner. Okay, 88 or Cardano. Yeah, Iota would be a great girl's name, but it's not a girl, right? No. Most embarrassing failure. What are you talking about, Kanatemo, man? What you talking about, dude? Hey, Jet Black, dude. Center Studios, hello. Hello, Luis Marrero. We will be Kangs in a few years from now. 1 year watching your stream already. I cannot believe how much you have learned. I have learned, and you're. I don't even know. Sometimes I switch between talking as you or talking like.
Is that a joint?
Thanksgiving.
I just bought some shoes from my drug dealer. I don't know what they were laced with, but I've been tripping all day.
Yeah, dude. Either drugs or your shoes are tied together, dude. Alright, so just look down. If you can't tell, you're probably on Molly or some other sort of psychedelic drug. Okay, thanks, dude, for the 420. Thanksgiving, dude. Merry Danksmas, man. Matthew George says, this is getting crazy, man. Hey, you don't like crazy. You don't want to know crazy, dude. That's it, dude. What's up, Gunnar Thompson? JD24. Keep doing these vids, Mish. You learned more in the last 2 weeks than you ever have about trading crypto. Boom, JD24. Hey, did you check out the one on the landing page? That's the one I want everyone to see. If you haven't seen the video, it's 15 minutes on my landing page. You need to watch it. Okay, just sit down, get a coffee, and watch it for 15 minutes, okay? You think regular people might be here? So what does that mean? Are we not regular people? Are we crazy, Matthew, dude? What you talking about, man?
Is that a joint?
Mary Jane Coin?
Mary Jane Coin. BTC on the daily, you heard.
Yeah, it's Greg Morgan. It's currently sitting at 1941 sats right now, okay?
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
So I'm supposed to do, man? I don't know, Greg Morgan. I don't know, Mary Jane something to Bitcoin. Is that even a thing, dude? Tell me, man. Tell me true. Womp, 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 womp. Oh my god, dude. Legendary. Legendary, dude. What's the next resistance for ADA? You can check it out in my video. We talk about all the resistance in the world. It's only a 5-minute video. What? Oh yeah, I'm alive, dude. What you want, man? Oh my god. V-Chain, V-Chain, V-Chain! King Logan, I can't believe you'd get rid of him, man. I can't believe it, dude. Kappa. Dude, I'm trying to, like, get through this. Dude, we've been... Oh, yeah, let me get to the other asset real quick. Well, it's not an asset. It's a blend of assets. So it's a blend of asset C's. Making it worth here. It takes a minute, too. Wow, it's so weird. It's so many assets. It's like, I can't do anything. Oh my god. Dude. Why is it like that? That's so weird. It's getting high on its own supply, it seems. Alright, haven't looked at it in a minute, really, but we can. Total. Alright, so total. So just 1 and 2 here, and then like 1 and 2 and 3 here. It doesn't matter whichever trend line you were looking at. Anyway, you broke out. You're out. Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
THC/BTC bacon effect.
Bacon effect? What? Hold on. Oh yeah, I also have to play the, because 690.
I feel so good.
There you go, dude. THC to BTC, bacon effect. I don't think bacon effect, the exchange is up yet, right? I think they're still working on all the the kinks. Okay. But we'll check out the THC to BTC on the Bacon Exchange very soon. Thank you, dude. The Zif90. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. So whatever you were looking at here, it's different now, right? So nice breakout has occurred. Okay, maybe that was it, dude. I don't even know. Let me go back and let me Control Z the crap out of this, okay? I don't even know if it's gonna work. Let me see how I had it before. Okay, let's go back. Didn't you hear about the bearish wedge on ADA, bro? Any options? Bearish wedge? Or that would be a rising wedge, would it not? Thanks for the however many biddies that was. I don't know, dude. I can't look at that many biddies, dude. I can't look at 88 because of that many biddies. Hold on. So if it was like that because I was looking at the daily or something. Hold on. No, see, it's still not even showing up. So stupid, man. Both of these are going to be visible on the daily. I don't even care. I'm trying to make... I don't know what I did, man. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go, man. Here you go. All right. So daily, breakout. Great, dude. Great. Good. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. All right. So we have clearly broken out whatever you want to say. 200-day moving averages up here at whatever that number is. My God. It's really very similar to Bitcoin. You're going from that high to low. The thing is, though, total is now making a common retrace. Whoa. Huh. So we're now approaching that 382, which it seems that we already did before, but here we are right back at it. Let me just get rid of all this stuff. I have to, man. Like, I gotta clean up, do some spring cleaning. Hey, man, this was beautiful, dude. Should have done a recap on this one. Beautiful. Thank you, Gartley. Thank you, Wedges. Thank you, TA, you're so beautiful. You're such a wonderful, wonderful part of our lives, man. Looks like just an ascending triangle of some sort. People could argue. 382 being that horizontal line. So, I mean, like, what are you going to do? You going to do this, man? You going to do it like that? Or you broke out already? Or you want to go with, like, there's like a wick here. You see, it's just kind of like that, right? I mean, there's no real touch point 1 and 2. You could maybe argue that it's like this. Okay, with the wicks and the candle closes and more wicks here. But clearly it seems like the 382 is acting as a very nice resistance. Remember what we talked about earlier on Bitcoin. There's some sort of sell wall, right? Some institution, some people with a lot of money are selling because they think this is an appropriate price to take profit and get out. And if they're the only ones selling here and there's the only demand left after they fill all their orders is up at higher prices, we'd explode up. And this could act as some sort of bullish reversal pattern. The ascending triangle is normally bullish, but we've definitely seen it break to the downside, all right? So though you might or might not be out of some sort of ascending triangle here, you get what I'm saying, right? We've broken out of crazy downsloping structures or trend lines from higher. Gosh dang it. Seems like we now are right near a breakout point of an ascending triangle. And if it's not a ascending triangle, it's dang near close. If it's a sim triangle, then you've already broken out, okay? But you just gotta take heed of that. There's one more wick right here. You just don't want to ignore those, man. That's part of overhead resistance. All these previous resistance points, that's overhead resistance. Meaning, what'll happen is if we break this, we could, besides this 200-day moving average, we could easily run all the way up because the next level of real resistance is whatever that number is. That number right here. So near the 618, okay, it's the next formal resistance if you can break above this scrub wick, these scrub wicks, okay. That's it, dude. This does look like it. If we can break to the upside, we have a good shot of having a very nice run to the upside. That's it, dude. That's literally it. It's just bread and butter, keeping it simple, support resistance stuff right there, okay? That's total, dude. Totally looking potentially awesome. Okay, man. Neo Connect. Oh man, I just blacked out, dude. Oh, sorry, dude. Happy episode 420 to everyone. Thank y'all so much. Dude, we're getting close, man. If the jar fills, I have to put on the hat. Probably the wizard hat, you know, for Gandalf and Radagast. Okay. Oh, fireworks. Did we get it, dude? Don't you lie to me. Putting them on. Before looking. Because I trust you. I trust you. Okay, good. Sweet. Dang, 134 likes. Yeah, 420 likes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hit that like button. If you're enjoying the festivities this evening, Friday. If you're just happy about it being Friday, hit that like button, alright? Not even to mention the crypto doing wonderful.
Is that a joint?
Hey Mitch, could you please take a look at DGTX/USDT? Cheers.
Yeah, dude. Dude, Moss, thanks so much, brother, man. Much love that. I'm only seeing to tether on my side. Oh yeah, you got tether. Okay, gotcha. Well, nice little double bottom, right? Adam and Eve double bottom. Digitex futures, right? The V. That's, oops. Give me my drawing tool. V and the U. So the Adam and Eve. V top.
Is that a joint?
Good evening, Mitch. How's TRX/BTC looking in your professional opinion? Happy 420 day. Come on, England.
Come on, England, dude. Oh, Tron Connect. Dude, after the scam, dude, I don't even care. Like, I was like, look, man, don't ask, don't tell situation with scams. But dude, when you're gonna be blatantly screwing up, being an idiot, Justin Sun, I don't even want to fool with it, dude. Okay, like that's like, oh, it was okay, it was kind of promising, and now it's like, pisses me off. Okay, so we'll look at it. We'll look at it next. But Digitech Futures US dollar tether, the measure move puts you at 10.49 cents, 10.5 cents. It seems, and then we can fib too if you want. High to low. You've hit a 50% retrace. 50% retrace before reversing your price action. It seems like you're holding for now. Looks like you had some sort of price contraction, obviously, right? 1 and 2, you've broken it. You broke the downsloping resistance. Not very good, right? It's kind of like, okay, man. Triangular scrubbiness. Look, you impulse, you create your pattern, and then you break out on no volume, and guess what's going to happen? You hit this 8.6 cent range, you're right at it. You don't even have positive momentum right now. So how in the world are you not going to show bearish divergence? Okay, so next time you run up, dude, 10.5 cents. If you can get there, man, I'll be very happy, very impressed. The TA will be respected. We'll be near that 618 at the top of the golden zone, and then maybe at that point, who cares, right? Because you're going to be showing bearish divergence no matter what you do. As soon as you hit 8.7 cents and close at or above it, it's bearish divergence, okay, on a daily time scale. So receding volume too. So yeah, man, getting near, it seems, the end, right? But we know we're not quite at that measure move, even though we were so freaking close before consolidating. All right, Digitech Futures Connect, double bottom, measure move. All right, Kanks. Oh, I didn't drink to that. Oh. Tron, you suck, man. Seriously, man, Tron just sucks, dude. Like, every time you form a structure, it just craps out. It just like becomes just Yeah, man, really not that great, dude. It was like had a wedge. We broke out of the wedge, hit near the top, and then sold off. You can't stay. Look, you can't get above the 200 moving hours on 4 hour. It's just very bad, man. A lot of chop, a lot of scrubbiness, man. What do you do? Adjust? What do you, if you adjust, then what is it, dude? There's nothing. It's like just, you had double bottom, an adjusted double bottom. Bearish, huge bearish golden candle. Look, you can't hold above the 200. Then you come back to confirm that the 200 is the resistance, and you're a scrub, right? So you're not making lower highs than the previous highs. I don't know, man. It's getting weird, dude. Getting real weird. Okay. So I guess as long as you stay above 550 sats, you should be okay. Dude, this kind of chop, man. No idea. You're inside the downsloping channel still. You have not broken anything. But we know when we decide to really bottom out, we know where the golden zone is from the high point to the lowest point between 662 and 730. If this is the bottom, which we thought we knew because we hit the 236 on the bounce, but we have not seen it again. All right. So structure wise, I mean, kind of double bottom, but really, really weak, and it would make sense based on all the crap, the scam that the kid has been pulling. Okay, Justin's son, scrub, dude, big scrub. Okay, all right, man, it's just how it is. What do you want from me, dude? Whew. What? Give me a sec. Little change up for you. Okay, I think we're good. All right, Tron, I wish there's more to talk about, dude. It just not doing well. Not doing well at all in the downswing channel, and it's confirming prices below that 200 moving average on the 4-hour time scale. That sucks, dude. That's really bad. Really bad. Death crosses almost imminent at this point.
Is that a joint?
Peter Walker, man.
Happy 420. The tunes are always as stellar as the content. Thank you for your big heart and intentions.
Thanks, Peter Walker, man, for the 420 contribution, dude. Kangs, dude. Kangs.
Is that a joint?
Bollocks. My mistake. I meant ZRX/PTCLMO. Come on, England.
Wait a second. Z and T are far away from each other, Kappa. Yeah, it looks a little better, I guess, right? One little. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, ZRX, man. Watch this, dude. Watch this, man. Yeah, thank you. Making me feel a little better now, okay? And I break out of the triangle, dude. Out of the down-sloping structure you had been in. Come on, dude. Come on, baby. We know, I mean, measure move here. It's huge measure move. Big green candle. Look, discernible high to low. Where are we already? We're literally touching the golden retrace as we speak and breathe. As you hit your marijuanas, ZRX is also hitting the marijuanas. Okay, so there you go, man. Measure move again. It might be smarter to just fib it, but if you really want to talk about measure moves, patterns like this that are very large, we'll go ahead and plot it. Seen crazier stuff happen. The breakout. There you go, dude. It's up at the 886. Right at the 886 is that measure move. Great, man. Great. Right? Great. There you go, ZRX, dude. Kangage on a breakout. And it wasn't today. It was the 24th of March when we really broke out. And we just back tested, floated along, and now we're running, dude. A little bit. Highest highs we've seen since technically January 27th. Wow. Not bad. So Mike Smith, thanks for the fish, dude. But I get it because fish was playing. Nice. Now I get it, man. What's up, Roger Hill? Dude, I don't even know where I am on chat. Yeah, I'm kind of behind. Way behind. Can I hear the dead playing right now? Or is it too quiet? Let me know. Shoot, man. Gotta get better at that. Oh my god, dude. Symmetry. Oh, crap, my bad. Sorry, dude. Hold on, let's see if y'all can hear it.
Drive, monkey, drive!
Oh my god. Drive, monkey, drive! We've only seen the monkey drive one time tonight, though, so it's okay.
Is that a joint?
Mark and Greg, two potheads, walk into a pot shop and ask, "Are you guys open?" Jane, the shop worker, says, "Yes." Mark reply, "Great, when do you close?" 5 PM. Okay, we'll come back then, thank you.
What? Guess I'm not high enough to get that one. Ugh. Hold on, let me analyze that one, dude. Oh, thank you. Come back then, thank you. They walk into a pot shop. When do you close? Why would they come back when it's closed? Even someone who's high out of their mind, why would they come back to a pot shop when it's closed? Anybody? Anybody at all?
Bueller.
I like turtles.
That's me right now on this joke. Hold on, let me get into the beer. Okay. We're tearing the roof off.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, man. Appreciate you and your time spent sharing. Don't cross here, you taking profit on IOST or what? Haha.
Yes, though it was like, so swing trading is interesting because it's like, and crypto is really interesting when you try to converge swing trading, and because I'm still like working on it, but like when you pump up like 15-20% in a day, that's kind of like too high too fast, and you know you're gonna pull back. So yeah, a little earlier, yes. And someone asked me about it. Someone went like a lot in on IOST. Like I can't even remember how many IOST it was, but it was a lot. And they asked me the same thing. It's like, dude, we're like 80 something on the RSI. We're up 20%. It's gonna pull back. So though we have not hit a first target, you could just sit and wait, you know, but you have guaranteed gains right now, right? And maybe the area where we pivot and run again, you can just get back in, right? But sometimes those things happen, and yeah, dude. Yeah, a little bit, not much. Okay. All right, so you want IOST? I guess we can go back to it. All right. So we can talk about like areas. You know, why is it not? Maybe it's because of the. Hold on, let me see this on the daily. Maybe that's it. Okay, yeah, I was like, well, why is it not? So though we have not hit the measure move yet, right? Too high, too fast, and so being so overbought, not only the daily and the 4 hour, we had a critical resistance point back from September. That was another reason, right? And so since then, we've sold off, 5+%. I think 6%, because 5% today, and then sold off a couple more. Oh, okay, my bad. Sorry. Yeah, we'll do that. Let me find it. Gotta find it, dude. So just hold on. Can't find what we're talking about. I'm looking for it though, Logan, okay? Okay, it's done. Oh, I have to do that? I thought you could do that. Interesting. Weird. Ree! Oh my god, all the rees going on in chat. It's okay. It's okay, everyone. Just everyone calm down. I know this is not the episode to be crying or freaking out about stuff, okay? Everyone just stay calm. Dude, realize where we are on the jar right now. We're fibbing the jar. Fibonacci, okay? Height of the jar. 100% retrace to the bottom to 0. Oh, I have to move it a little bit because it won't let me get all the way down. See, 0's down here. Let's move this up. So we are currently on the jar, very close to an 886 retrace, right? We've already surpassed the 786. So we get the 100% retrace. I have to wear a hat. I have to wear the wizard hat, Viking hat, or Vet Moonboy hat. Probably going to be appropriate to wear the wizard hat tonight if we get there. Okay, I'm just telling y'all what's going on. So why would anyone be upset or mad, dude? Triggered on episode 420. Stop being triggered on episode 420. What's wrong with y'all, dude? Everyone be cool. All right, it'll be all right. Don't make me play Bob Marley and get this episode taken down for copyright or something. Okay. Whew. Jeez, man. What's up, everybody? Sorry, just... Huh. Let me see what I can do. I'll have to scroll up. I have to go into, like... That's probably why y'all can't see it, right? Okay, because it happened a while back. All right, yeah, give me like 2 seconds, okay? I'll get it for you. All right. Actually, just give me 2 seconds, y'all. I gotta deal with moderating stuff. All right. Not what I asked, but whatever. Should be no issue. All right. Let's see. I'm looking. Okay. Trying to do the right thing, man. Trying to do the right thing. Sathagoras, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic, dude. Kangs. I'm looking, y'all. I'm having to do something, okay? Just relax. Enjoy the... You know what? So much you're gonna listen to the music, okay? Sorry, dude. I cannot find it. Sorry. I don't know what you want from me. Nothing I can do about it, y'all. It doesn't do alphabetical order, so... Oh, found it. Nice. Found it, dude. Found it. Saving. All right. My bad, y'all. This is what happens when you live stream. Things happen, okay? There's nothing I can do about it. I just have to, like, deal with it. All right. Okay, sweet. Oh my god, what in the world? Only use me blade, dude? Wow, dude. Oh, thanks for the 2 biddies, man. Thanks, dude. Oh my god. Make love, not Warcraft, Marcus, dude. Yes, indeed. Indeed, dude. What's up, Burgess Games, man? Oh, my music ended? Oh my god. Dude, it's been crazy. Chaotic stream, kind of. Okay. Dude, y'all have a war on y'all's hands, okay, man? Which will be first, the chicken or the egg? Roger Hill, exactly, dude. Which one? Dude, I'm sifting through all this craziness in chat, y'all. Alright, this is insane. Dude, Cloak Coin, it's breaking, Jakester, man. And again, man. Whoa, dude. Holy crap. Dude, holy crap, dude. Dude. Nice. Dude, that's crazy.
Is that a joint?
Can't believe I almost missed episode 4. You made it. To the moon from here, Kings.
Thanks, Ma, Freedom Man, for the 420 contribution. Kangs, dude, Kangs. Just looking at IOST, be Kangs. We have not hit the measure move of the beautiful, beautiful inverse head and shoulders coupled handle, man. Okay, times 2. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. What's up, J-Togs, man? How you doing, man? How you doing, dude? It's okay, man. This guy's just pissed. Hey, the dude who's trolling, it's like, are you sorry, man? Are you sad or mad that people keep tipping me and you're just literally trying everything you can to you can't derail the show because we're having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun. I don't know about y'all. This has been extremely exciting and a good stream, man. Man, the altcoins are breaking to the upside. You know this guy doesn't trade. He would, if he traded, he wouldn't be spending his time doing this, obviously, right? So. He used all 30 of his accounts, man. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go, dude. It doesn't matter what if he lives with his parents or not, dude. It's just like, who cares? All right, so let's go into Bitcoin real good, man. The one I was looking at before, man. So break out the triangle, man. Break this down, sloping resistance. And we're out, man. And we're breaking above the 50% or the heart line of the channel, right? It's Justin Sun, Kryptonium, man. I mean, it's him, dude. It's him, dude. It's him, man. Whew. Crazy world we live in. So, fireworks, Bitcoin's bringing this up. We're at 41.17. But remember, I just don't know if we're going to be able to break 4,200. That's the question, right? That's the big, big question. Because if we stall here and we cannot break it, there's always a chance. Remember, if that is the horizontal line resistance we're talking about, you can just add this.
Is that a joint?
Troll coin getting wrecked.
Y'all do realize the more you tip me, the more it affects this guy, right? Because you know he's watching the stream, right? And every time I get tipped money, it hurts him. That's normally why I get trolls, right? I get trolls because I get tipped for helping people, right? So, hey, every time you do something like that, dude, it just triggers them. All right, that's what we've learned, Robbar. I don't know if he's watching, but yeah, dude, that's definitely a way to trigger them. Okay, so thanks, dude, for the 420, man. All right, almost there, dude. Wizard hat incoming, if it happens. Okay, been live now an hour and 48 minutes, so we're getting close to overtime. Yeah, not too far off, man. Hey, I should be going live in less than 15 minutes from now, right? Maha Freedom, dude. Thanks, man. Whew. Thanks, Jonathan Krause, man. Much love, dude. Report YouTube. Yeah, I mean, I'll do it. I just can't do it right now, right? So it's just like, yeah, I don't know how Google will handle that either, man. It's like, it's whatever, dude. But hey, man, I'm good with it.
Is that a joint?
Here we go, baby. Here we go.
Stoner walks into an appliance store and asks the owner, how much for the TV in the window? The owner looks over at the window. I don't sell to potheads. The stoner says, how can you tell I'm a pothead? The owner says, because that's a microwave.
Wait a second, wait, what time frame was this? You do not say Armageddon Skunk, you did not say the year. If this was back in 1978, early 1980s, it could have been either one, right? No one would get onto you back then. Okay, because they did look very similar, right? It all depends, man.
Is that a joint?
Go Mitch. Love the work, man.
Balls D, dude, I got you, man. You're unhidden. You can still talk now. Thanks for the threes, dude. Much love. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Be on your feet. Copy for crypto over there on Twitch, dude. Oh my god. I'm so live, I'm living, dude. What does that mean, Bob Magella, man? I guess, dude. I guess. Do I play poker? Yeah, I used to play poker a lot, Crypto Gambler, and I think trading has a lot to do. It's very similar aspects, trading to poker, because pot odds, right? You just think about, like, you know, if you're playing with like 6 to 9 people, right? You won't play a hand with scrub cards, but if everyone's playing, the reward to risk involved with you posting blinds isn't bad. It might be worth it. Even if you have a decent hand and you might not play it, if the pot odds are good, you might play it, right? Especially positions, right? So, okay, that's an easy fix. Hold on. Thanks for all the new follows, though.
Is that a joint?
Great show. Good people.
Thanks, Kraus, man, for the 420 contribution. That was too easy, man. It's already been thwarted. Are we, like, going into the evening show, Renee? Yeah, kinda. I guess we are. Content, Renee, content. Gangs. Yes, LOL indeed, Matthew Chori, dude. Whew. Is Bitcoin stalling out markets, dude? Oh, remember, well, you know, look, you got the magenta trend lines, right? The horizontal line, 41.16 to 41.62, right? Yeah, that's a big resistance, man. It's going to be very tough to break. So if you can, oh my God, big deal. But you still have that resistance up at like 43.88 and 44.29. We'll just say 44.20 for the sake of the episode. But yeah, man, I think we are at a very critical resistance, and I don't know how we would break it on the weekend. It's very tough, man. Very tough.
Is that a joint?
1 minute chart.
Can you do talk on BTC at 1 minute?
That's funny, dude. Brad. Sorry, you got me. You got me right in the feels, Brad. That's hilarious, dude. Yeah, we'll look at 1 Bitcoin in the 1 minute, dude. All right. All bets are off here, dude. This is me on the 1 minute. Okay, this is me in the rarest of rare forms of all time. Okay, I can't even zoom out, so I don't even know the context. It just it's up sloping and doing well, man. Doing well. 1 minute, you said, right? 5 minute would have been a lot more helpful, dude. Just saying. Because I can't even... We have to go to the 5 minute to be able to do the 1 minute. All right. Okay, so here we go. The beginning. Here's my 1 minute analysis of Bitcoin. Okay, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, it's like if you do it like that, you're at the very freaking top. Potentially a rising wedge on the 1 minute or 5 minute. Okay, dude. Good luck, man. I'd love to see it. So you got a channel and a potential wedge. Again, bear with me, okay? Because, like, whatever, dude. I don't ever do 1 to 5 minute charts. Okay, so you're at the top of the pattern. Listen, Jared, are you kidding me, man?
Is that a joint?
Please
Am
clap.
I gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do? Freak out, man.
Freak out, man. Not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do. Thanks, man. 25. Well, it seems we're almost at. Are we at the... Is it? Yeah, it seems like it's wizard time. I think there's maybe a little bit of space left in the jar, maybe on the right side. So one more tip. And the wizard hat comes on. One more. And it's on, dude. It's on like Donkey Kong. So there's your 1 minute, Jakester. Was it you that asked, I think? Yeah, Jakester. Bitcoin on the 1 minute. Rising wedge. Do we have any divergence? Oh my God. The biggest joke in the world is 1 minute TA divergence. Wait, this is the 1 hour. Sorry, dude. I'm not used to like what the... So you can't even do it. Here it is, man.
Is that a joint?
Trolls crying everywhere. Episode 420. Can you take a look at Poe, please? Kings.
Can I look at Poe, please? No, dude. I'm looking at the 1 minute on Bitcoin, dude. Can you believe it? At the top of a channel or wedge or something, dude. It doesn't even line up right anymore. When you change time frames this short, it doesn't even work. You go to the 5 minute, it's fine. But then you go to the 1 minute, it's all jinkity jankity, dude. I don't even know what to tell you, man.
Is that a joint?
Nigger, 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 nigger.
Wow, dude. Someone is very, 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 crazy, dude.
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
Drive, monkey, drive!
What do the troll and I have in common? We both crap in our pants and live with my parents. I'm less than 24 hours old, though not almost. My parents don't fail like Petra and Jurgen did. P.S. CTO Brumela, Pennsylvania to take your b-ball hoop.
Oh my god. Thanks, man. Oh my god. Bros, man, thanks 4242. Repeat it, of course. Oh my god.
Never thought I had to research something, but... Crazy, man. Okay, I'm gonna go get the wizard hat. Alright, hold tight.
And that's how you treat
that a
a
joint?
troll. Sorry, Mitch. Thanks everyone who's out here making trolls cry.
I know who it is. Like, I mean, I see the person who did it. His name's Luke. His name's Luke. Yes, we do. We have his PayPal.
Is that a joint?
Troll is a blowjob gone wrong. Come on, Mitch. Live split, please.
Live split, please. I don't do tobacco. And sure as heck can't do wacky tobacco. Alright, so sorry, man. Hold on. I'm looking for the email. Luke, dude, thanks so much, man, for showing how racist you are, dude. Thanks, dude.
Is that a joint?
Two hippies are walking down a railroad track stoned. One hippie says this is a really long staircase. The other hippie says I don't mind the stairs, it's this low handrail that's killing me.
Oh, it's not like... Hold on. Here we go.
Come in, chat. If we can't get that 420 likes, let's ATL at least to 200. Smash it.
Sure, but thanks so much, dude, for the 420 Litecoin, dude. Much love. Much love, dude. Dude, it's crazy, dude. It's like, hey, man, they're like literally tipping me money to be racist. Dang, dude. What did I do to affect them so much, dude? I love it, man.
Is that a joint?
Aw, are they getting triggered, man?
There's always got to be one in the group, right? Jesus
Yeah.
Christ was the son of God and he had one in his group. I guess I shouldn't have let
True
that
that.
guy get to me.
True that, man. Thanks, Greg HD, for the 420 contribution. That's right, man. There's always one, right? Thanks, dude. Let me turn this other thing back off.
Excuse me. Sorry, I'm having a good time, man. I'm having a great time.
I'm cool. Sorry y'all having to be subjected to all this craziness, man. I'm okay with it. I'm okay, I guess, right? But sorry y'all have to deal with it. I don't, you know. Old Lukey Luke, man. Why do you have to be so racist, Lukey Luke? Luke W. I'll get his email, so. Well, I'm looking for the request. Oh, Poe. Maha Freedom, dude. Sorry, man. A lot of chaos going on, dude. A lot of chaos, dude. Are you Poe for show? Or Poe? No, Mo. So one could have looked at this like a rising wedge, but then when you think about it, look at it like this too. Like ascending triangle, some sort. All right, and you could have adjusted the one wick, but it made more sense 1, 2, 3 touch points, 4 touch points, because you had candle close here. So, well, it made more sense in this situation. 1 wick to a second wick, or 2 wicks, 3, 4, and a candle close. That makes way more sense, right, of an ascending triangle. So from the high point to low point, you hit a 78% retrace. Are you kidding me? 70% retrace. I don't know if we had the measurement. I don't think so. Maybe close, but like not quite, right? That's what you think. Well, that's not it. Dude. Oh my god, dude. You hit the measure move. Do you see this, chat? Like to Jesus, man. Ascending triangle reversal pattern. Kangs. Holy crap. Okay, that's it, dude. That's your Poconnect. Trade, it seems played out, right? Like just almost perfectly. That, look at that wick, dude. Yeah, man, yeah. Gangs, dude. What more do you want on Poe? Oh, that was for you, Maha Freedom, dude. Okay, sorry, man. Got it done for you, though. Oh, man, I love this song, dude. Can't remember what the name. This isn't Terrapin Station, is it? Chat? Or you deadheads out there? Not spreadheads. You know, Widespread Panic was live. I had to turn it off before stream because I was digging it, man. Okay. It is Terrapin Station. Pythagoras, man. It is. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Thanks for support on Twitch, dude. Okay. Are they so mad at black people? Dude, it's not even about like that. I mean, they're just doing it because they know it's like a bad word. It's like the worst word you could say, like live, to try to derail this. You know, do they really hate black people? Who knows? But they really hate me. That's for sure. So. Dude, I freaking love this song. I'm gonna look through some chat for a second. You know, we've analyzed a lot. Like 17 assets tonight. 2 hours we've been live. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it real quick because why not? Local on the 8th. Oh my god, man! Sponsored by the racist. We are wizards. We are kings and queens. Pokemon coin, dude. Every single crypto is a certain Pokemon, Matthew Chori. Where you been living, dude? This is literal Pokemon, but in crypto form, alright? Holy crap. Dude, good luck, man. good luck. Dude, I gotta get rid of that. That's the 1 minute, 5 minute analysis, remember? So yeah, dude, 1 5 minute looks ready to sell off or something, maybe. No. I only turn it up like that because it's like, I have to turn it down to a level to where I can't even hear it on my side, okay? And I don't know when it starts echoing, okay, on my decibel levels on my speakers. Yeah, I'll be sure to do that. XRP to USDT, he's making a move now. Yeah, I guess a small scrubby inverse head and shoulders. Sure, Bradford. Sure did. Sorry. Sorry, man. A lot of craziness going on right now. Like, lots of it, dude. It's nice. It seems like y'all aren't smoking enough marijuana, dude, okay? No one's smoking enough cannabis right now, dude. Jeez. What's up, JD24, man? On the list. Okay. P. Miller, man? Yeah. Yeah. Song is so heavy for its time. Dude, I love it, man. Dude, oh my god, what are y'all talking about? Where can you buy a charting hat like this? Your local Amazon store. Kappa. We'll do one. We haven't done one in a while. Okay, one spinning Kappa for you, Sea-Dog. Thanks, Michael David, man. Stay strong in this crazy internet world. Yeah, it's super duper crazy. I found out how many psychos there really are, dude. And it's only going to grow. And you're just going to be exposed to more and more of it, alright? The Queen City? Greg, what is the Queen City, dude? Dude, it's about time for another beer. Are you kidding me, dude? What's up, Sleepy Cat, dude? Wow, wow, wow. XRP blasting to moon, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, sorry, wrong chart. I was looking at Bitfinex, dude. I haven't looked at this crap in forever. Here we go, baby. Here we go.
Is that a joint?
Can you tell us about your first experience with marijuanas?
Sure, man. Sure. So I was like, man, I don't even know. I'll get arrested for even talking about it here, dude. So I was 17, and I was really straight edge. You know, I was like a good guy, like a good boy, like all American. You know, like clean shaven and athletics, captain, football team stuff, right? And wrestling team. Wasn't captain yet of the wrestling team, but you know, it was like doing athletics, good grades, all that. And like one of my best friends got into it, and then he like, it wasn't peer pressure, it was just more like I just trusted him, and I read a lot about cannabis. I was like, this isn't that bad. Like reading about it, like it doesn't literally do anything to you negatively. And I gave it a shot, And dude, I worked at this place called Skates 280. All right. It was like my first job. It was really the only job I ever had in high school. Really the only job I ever had until I graduated college and got a career job. But I did the Devil's Lettuce, and then, man, I'll tell you, it was insane. Like I had subwoofers in my vehicle, you know, like I had a nice sound system, and like I had to go to work, and then I went to work on the marijuanas, and I was stuck in traffic, and one thing I'll never forget about it is the music, how good the music sounded. And then going to work, how I tried to eat literally everything at work. And I did. I ate so much, too much. So that was my first experience with the marijuana, dude. I was a young buck, and I was influenced by my peers, I guess, right? So that's it, man. You know, cat's out of the bag. Oh my God, man. I can't believe it, dude. All right, so what will happen when we bounced off the area we thought we would go to? Remember we talked about, oh, we should at least hit 30.15 or 30.5 cents. And now we've bounced off the horizontal line support and really the crazy support back from August. Whatever, man. Who even cares, dude? Oh my God, man. I can't believe that. Gigantic Police Department, Kappa. Right, so anyway. That's it, man. Just bouncing off some crazy support. We bounced off of 1, 2, 3, 4 times before. And here we go, man. Here we go. All right. So let's extend this out right here. Someone just unsubbed because they just listened. Oh my God, he did the marijuanas. Unsub. That's literally what just happened, dude. I can't believe it. Oh, wait. Yes, I can. All right. About 14 years off, Roger Hill, man. All right. Jeez, dude. So there you go, man. Despite anything, I know that, you know, you just got anchor points, and you're right at the anchor point. Can we break and hold? Can we be? Hey, bullish divergence at the critical support. Give me a break, man. Give me a break. Okay. Wow. $4.28. What is it? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, Brian.
Marijuana's bad.
Yeah, Brian. I was a punk, dude. I was a big punk, dude. Yeah, that's right, 1G Project. Go, dude, go. The FBI has entered chat, dude. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Oh, grab it. Oh my God. Sure. Trying to get me demonetized? Yeah, dude. Yeah, because I'm monetized as it is, right? No, Hainsey, man. I do not get any monetization at all. Not 1 cent from YouTube or anyone else, all right? So, not really a big deal. Okay. Okay, yep, Dan, I am the new Tesla now. The fact that I told you my one-time marijuana story, okay. Oh my God, dude, it was epic, dude. Oh my God. What's up, Coin Hub? How you doing, man? How you doing, Coin Hub? How you doing, man? Are you okay, dude? So anyway, downsloping resistance clearly there. Let's see if we can break it. I don't know, man. I just don't know. Either way, making higher lows over and over and over is always good, but from that high point to low point, we have still only hit a 382. That was it, man. That was it. Yeah, Hainsey, there you go, dude. I don't know, man. Holy crap, dude. Sorry, man. I don't even know. There's like stuff going on behind the scenes. We're just hanging out. Okay. Okay. The Pumpamentals. Nice, dude. Nice, man. He's waiting on the Pumpamentals, dude. Sorry, you may not be getting in here. Big one's already pulling back. 41.05 currently. Alright, we have gotten as high as 41.32. But it's diverging, right? You got higher prices, lower levels of positive momentum, even though you do still have a lot of positive momentum. That's great, man, right? But I am but simple Quaker, man. Or I'm a Quaker fielding the, you know, fielding the fields for marijuana in this hat. Okay, man? That's it, dude. Nice one, man army. Good, dude. Good to hear it, dude. I become very introspective when I do that stuff, okay? But, yeah, man, you can clearly see, like, from August on the bottom side and the top side, September, right? You have two converging trend lines that form an apex in the middle, right? And so we were very deep within it. So I think, you know, you clearly can tell that a big move will be coming at least within the next month or month and a half on XRP to USDT or USD, whatever, it doesn't matter. All right. Well, yeah, dude, the guy doesn't want me to get tips anymore, so he's stopping. He's like, oh, if I stop trolling, they'll stop tipping, right? But if he kept trolling, you'll just keep tipping. So, yeah, it's an easy way to neutralize a troll. They hate seeing me make money, man. They come in here to disrupt the entire stream, but, man, when I start making money because of them, oh, yeah, they're like, I can't do it anymore. It's either I troll and he gets paid a lot of money, or I keep trolling and he makes money. He can't win, right? He can't win when that's the element. There's no winning for him. So he has to just stop because he's like, I'd rather just not troll him and him not get tipped, right? That's how it works. So it's great. It's great, dude. Like having a community is easy to destroy a troll. Easy to destroy one. All right. So. Public, come on, dude. It's one guy with 30 accounts. It's like every dude, just go back and check all my videos. I don't have like 40 dislikes, 50, 10, 5. It's always 25 to 30 dislikes. It's one person with one account. It's really not a big deal, dude. Okay, no big deal. You inverse buying ADA is playing out well, Phil. Hey, dude. I guess we can go to it. You stayed long enough, chat, so we're going to get to it. Oh, gosh dang it, dude. I figured our numbers would have dwindled, and they've actually picked up 195 people. You shouldn't be watching this. We have surpassed. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. We've done it. We're going to play the Jesus chimes. The measured move, the TA has been respected, okay? The measured move
of the inverse head and shoulders, the 50% retrace. We have touched it, knife to Jesus, man, and it's since sold off. Wow. Unbelievable, dude. We are kings. On ADA. Montana, I don't know, Montana's just retired from life because all his sick gains on ADA, dude. Unbelievable, man. Dude, you can't even see my eyeballs, dude. It's Quaker hat, man. Been quaking too many quakes, dude. When ADA inverse PAMP. Is Bitcoin price getting higher? Learn to APK? No, it's actually pulling back. It was at 4130 something, and now it's at below 4100 now. So it's actually pulling back on the weekend. Weekend Warrior Edition, dude. 420 episodes so far. That's what we're on right now. As you notice all the Chinese maple leaves. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't know, One Man Army. Not for me. I'm sure others, right? Hey, Greg, man, oh my God.
Is that a joint?
It stayed in the jar, dude. It stayed in the jar, oh my God. Holy crap. Unbelievable, dude. I guess I have to get another beer, man. Yeah, dude. It's water beer. It's water beer, so it's kind of scrubby, and it's just too easy to drink, so... Y'all give me like 2 seconds. I mean, I have a mini fridge right here, so I'm just going to get one and pour it. So just relax, enjoy the sights and the sounds of the Cardano Connect, right? 1, 2, 3. We have triple MACD bearish divergence at the measured move at the 50% retrace. Charles Dow, the Dow theory, or Dow's theory, says after an impulse down, you must commonly retrace 50% before reversing your price action. Maybe this is the area. But my God, man, all you can say is, holy crap, beautiful, dude, beautiful. What's happening here, dude? What's the haps, dude? What's the haps? You like that? A rising wedge? Is it a small rising wedge? 1G project, Phil? Maybe so, dude. Maybe so in the short term. Pullback seems like it would be healthy. Okay, we talk about on the daily. Why can't we just, for a week, form some down, slightly down sloping consolidation at a 23% retrace, 38% retrace from low to high, and then bull pull, bull flag, and then run again. Why can't we just do that, man? Because we know there's this is scrub resistance. We know there's not real resistance until you start hitting 1876, and of course that 2000 range, 1935 to 618, where there's more chop. Okay, so we know there's more room to run on ADA, but you'd love to see the oscillators reset and get some nice consolidation, and then we run again in a week or so. That'd be nice. The nicest thing. Okay. Holy crap. Give me 2 seconds. Get another beer, man. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Episode 420. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Y'all are amazing. Be right back. Cheers, I'm back. I poured my beer, man. I poured it, okay? So ADA, Kangs, dude. It's hilarious. Hakeem's like, what is this? Look at Bitcoin. Look at it. Don't even please, dude. Well, you know we looked at Bitcoin like 4 times now in this stream. Been live for 2 hours, 26 minutes, man. Come on, dude. Come on, man. We've looked at Bitcoin. We just were looking at Bitcoin before this. You just rewind just a little bit, okay? And we actually analyzed the crap out of it, so... What about CPC, dude? Who was it, man? Prosperity, dude? Are you talking about City Pub Group PLC, is that the asset you're asking about? You're requesting for an analysis on, man? Is that what it is? Let me know, dude. Okay. Any signal right now? Nah, dude. We're already down to 4,088. We were at 4132. We're pulling back Weekend Warrior Edition, man, right? So exchanges, major exchanges, a lot of big money. They don't trade hardcore on the weekend, right? So no, man. Shouldn't expect too much. And we've already talked about Bitcoin being at a critical resistance point where it was, and it's already rejecting it, right? We talked about that ascending triangle-esque stuff. I mean, my God, I guess we can go back to it, man. Whatever. For Hakeem, dude, okay? Just because I appreciate you being here, and, all right? Hakeem, dude, here you go, dude. All right, so you see these two horizontal magenta trend lines, right? Resistance, 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 and resistance, right? Gonna be really hard to break that on the weekend, dude. Really hard. So there we are. What are we doing? Completely rejecting it. Looks like a freaking 33 minutes left. It looks like a gravestone doji. That is a gravestone doji. A lot of times those act as reversals, right? One large wick and almost no body at the bottom. Gravestone doji. Don't get wrecked. So major resistance zone between 4116 and 4162, which we have not broken. Okay, that's it. That's your analysis. We would expect higher prices between 44.29 and 52.28 in the future, soon at some point. And people will be arguing because of magenta trend lines like that. You get rid of this, and you just say, hey man, we have, instead of a symmetrical triangle breakout, we have one ascending triangle that we're trying to break this sell wall. Okay. Julia Kuskuski.
Is that a joint?
Now drink it.
Oh my God, Electron Connect is on the top of the chart. Julia, we're the 1272, maybe even the 1414 right now on the jar. Fib extensions. Holy crap. Monka S, Julia. Monka S. Remember, if you tip 33.33, there's a 15% chance of me having to chug the beer. Or a full beer. Doesn't matter what's in my jar. I have to drink full one. And also 25, 10% chance. So. Okay, getting trippy. It's like they're doing more than the devil's lettuce. I'm trying to get the audio level good. Okay. Hakeem, man, that was for you, dude. Hakeem, are you there still? Have you already left, dude? Please don't tell me you've already left, man. I can't believe you if you have. All right. Quite rude. Prestige, man, I'm sorry to hear that, dude. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, I know many people in here will have a hit of a marijuana for you, okay? Because I can't either, because I live in a state where it's extremely illegal. All right. It's about time, man. I'm like, when am I going to break the seal, dude? E-seal tour. Gravestone, Philip. Gravestone, man. John Hill was having Bitcoin. Well, hopefully you just saw what we talked about, okay? Oh, he's back, man. He's back. He's back. Destroyed. He's back, man. Chat, you know what to do. You know how to trigger him, right? You know how to trigger him. What's up, the news unit? Yeah, man, sure, dude. You want some bat? Watch this, news unit. Be like, dang, dude. Dang, man. So, inverse head and shoulders on bat. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And we had the 1-4. We have not really gone anywhere since we last looked at it. I think maybe it was... man, where did I look at this? Maybe it was early in the stream or something like that. Troll's still mad, dude. Troll's still mad. Y'all know how to piss him off, though, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, so measure move is way higher, right? It's above the 1618, 8783, dude, right? So, you know. What was it? CP what? CPC is Capricorn. Cool hat. Thanks, Prosperity, man. Kingston. CPC is Capricorn. That's not it then. Capricorn. Dude, that must be an S coin, right? Because I don't have it. I can't do anything about it, dude. Can't do anything about it, man. Sorry. He's back to pay more tips. Yeah, dude. Exactly, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. I know you're watching, man. It's okay, man. Interesting thoughts, Jeremy, on the potential bullish cipher, it seems, right? Maybe, dude. Maybe, man. All right. Whew. This roll ran out of money to tip. Yeah, he did. Well, he only had like $4. Luke W, man. Y'all know his name. Ooh, nice sub count. All right, y'all. Well, do your worst. I'll be right back. I gotta break the seal, okay? So it just happens, man. When I've been streaming for 2 hours and 30 minutes, man. We're over time at this point. Over time. I'll be right back, right?
I'm out of leads, so the best thing I can do at this point is drink this sweet water. 420 strain
Is that a joint?
G13 of a. Cheers, Mitch.
Is that a joint?
Great, man. Thanks for $33.33 for beating cards. Oh my god, man. You just triggered the troll so hard, dude. He's so mad, man. He's so mad. You can't believe it, dude. Alright, so I'm back. We're just looking at Batcoin and inverse head and shoulders breaking the neckline. And if you look left, what are we doing really? Well, we broke all-time highs, but we could not sustain prices at all above it. So here we are, sitting at whatever 35.62 with the all-time high being at. But no, hold on, what is that? No, 65.09. Sorry, dude. It's 65.09 with that all-time high being 66.64. So it was nice for a moment, but man, overbought. Very much overbought. And then look right here, it showed, it doesn't matter, divergence on the RSI. That's what happens sometimes.
Is that a joint?
Hey Mitch, what's up with Raven Coin?
Theory of Fadge. What's up with Ravencoin, dude? What's up, man? Ravencoin been Kangs, dude. That's all it's been. We can go to Ravencoin, whatever, man. Just remember this, chat. Remember this, okay? If you're ever out there and you think, hey man, hey, I can have a wrench and do whatever I want once I have a wrench. Remember, I don't manage chat. I have about 10 people that are mods that manage my chat for me, okay? So next time you think about doing something that might piss someone off in our chat, our community, remember, I have nothing to do with it, okay? But if they tell me to do something, I have to do it, okay? Accountability. Though it is TA with Mitch Ray, it is far greater than just me. This is not just because we're under the guise of TA with Mitch Ray. It's a community, okay? Anyway, beautiful, dude. Beautiful. We hit the 1272, right?
Is that a joint?
Shout out to my growers and all stoners. What you smoking on? OG Kush flowers. If you look up in the sky, see a smoke signal, it's a west side. It's so simple. Say you're riding high but you low level. We got them strains, metals, medication on deck seem better.
Is that a joint?
Hey you. Hey troll guy. Maybe if you would respect the TA you wouldn't hate Mitch. Luke W is a sad lonely troll who probably doesn't have any BTC. Mitch, did you look at Aji tonight?
No, I didn't look at Agi. Thanks even 420, man. Thank you, man. So the thing about this, man, we look at the 60-minute. It was a falling wedge, right? Continuation, bird the upside, bump and run, whatever you want to call it. Hit first target and second target like the Jesus, man. Okay, that is the 1272 from the high point to low point of the structure. All right, that's it. And then since then, we've been selling off. And look, we hit the 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart, right? Fell below 20 at the 50, bouncing off the crazy rejection. Oh my God, man, how do you keep rejecting? You just keep going higher and higher and higher, man. But it all started with what, Jeremy S? It all started with the impulse down. You broke out and then you kept making lower lows, but you formed daily divergence on the daily divergence and 4-hour divergence, mind you, bullish divergence with the falling wedge pattern and that. So it's not like just because this thing went up like this, it doesn't mean it wasn't setting up for higher price. We know it was setting up for higher prices, but sometimes it does this, right? Crypto. It pulls a crypto, man, and goes beyond the world of men, okay? The world of traditional market analysis, okay? It's just nuts. So you look at the short-term charts and even trades are happening, bullish trades are happening on this thing. But now the trade ended and now we're selling off, right? So not really a big deal. That's Raven, dude. What's up with it? It's nuts, but it's, dude, high risk. High risk at any point on Raven, dude. This is too high. Too fast. Just think about it like this. There's no real formal support for Raven coin until you go down to 1,043 sats. That's what's going on with Raven coin, dude. Okay. Whew. Agi. Agi coin, man. Gartley's. Almost hit it. Not really. You broke out of the wedge that we would see. and you sold off at the 236, and you're just bouncing off the bottom trend line or the top trend line of the rising wedge, right? And do we have developing right now? Falling 3 methods? Are you kidding me? That's beautiful looking. If we could sell off and make a lower low than 1260, 1259 sats, we would have a nice confirmed rising or falling 3 methods, which is a beautiful pattern. Very rare, but pretty reliable. Okay. Holy crap. So we're talking about a potential trade setup would have been the falling wedge, getting in the entry of the 200 moving average 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. You'd think we get higher, but it's just not happening, man. It's not. Look, this trend we were in for so long, right? We have now fallen out of it, got back in, fell out, and now we're back testing as resistance. Not good, man. Not really good. Okay, not what you're looking for. Okay, that's it, dude. That's really all that's going on with Agi, potential harmonic breakout. But it might have just been a scrub false profit, dude. So no. No, I think someone already did that, Fruitcake. Sorry, y'all are just like doing stuff. Okay. What's up, Jory? Sold 1,000 sats. Yeah, dude, it's nuts, man. It's this crypto stuff theory, man. It's just a crazy world we live in. Okay. I have covered Tron Connect. Yes, I have covered Tron Connect. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. There's no winning as a live streamer. There's just no winning, dude. Okay? It's a lose-lose from every angle, alright? It's okay, man. It's okay. We still have fun and drink our beer. We still do those things, man. Alright, so you'd expect a target of at least, the 382, 39.99, or 1504 as a second target. So music's a little loud. Dude, what happens? All right now. Do I think this is the big move up for XRP deal? I don't think so, no. No. It's literally hitting a down-sloping resistance right now, so no. What's up, CC, dude? Thanks, man. Glad you made it, man. Have I covered ICX? No, not covered ICX, man. Wow. Who's a psycho, Jonathan? Are you calling me a psycho, dude? I mean, I feel like pretty good temperament, man. I don't know. Well, what happens, dude? What happens when you fall out of a channel? Right? What happens? You get wrecked, dude. Engine, it pumped, and now it's dumping. All right, that's it. Sorry, man. I really had this stuff going on, right? 1 and 2. That's it. So you also had a triangle, big triangle going on. And now you're out, and now you're selling up pretty hard. You're falling below the 200 moving average. Look out below. Why look out below on Engine Coin? Well, you got one horizontal on support. The previous all-time highs back from January 2018. You're about to be approaching to hit. Seems likely, very likely that we'll touch that, if not way lower, because that is a scrub support. You don't really see any kind of
support. I mean, until you start getting down to like 1800. I mean, these wicks are not strong, man. Okay, we went too high, too fast. And now what's going on, man? But you think about X, A, B, C, maybe D, 70% retrace, maybe. Something to think about, right? Trolls gone wild, dude. I don't even know, man. Like, on my side, I don't even know what to tell y'all, dude. Thanks, CC, man. No winning, man. No winning on my side, right? It's just like, get wrecked. Get wrecked by everybody. Alright, man. Going on about 20 assets analyzed this evening. 2 hours and 50 minutes live. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We have a scrub troll who's downvoted us, disliked 50. He has 50 different accounts. Okay, literally one person. 50 different accounts coming in screaming the N-word. Okay, so you hitting the like button's good. Alright, it's like good for us. Alright, but I get it. If you don't want to, it's no big deal. Okay. Okay, man. Thanks for the 173 people tuned in or so, around that number, whatever it is. Thank y'all. Really appreciate it, man. Okay. $200 likes achievable. I think it is. 188 likes, man. Not too far off from 200 likes. Let's get 12 more to ascend above the 200 like mark, man. Let's do it, man. Let's do it as a team, as a community. All right. Okay, ICX. Upsloping channel right now after a breakout of a huge falling wedge, or downsloping channel, whatever you want to call it, after incessant selling for like a year. Yep, a year of selling, wedge, slightly lower lows than previous lows, clearly, you know, signifying the lack of selling pressure compared to before, and then we broke out and we're running. And from the high point to the low point of the structure, the little wedge, whatever, we've hit the golden zone. We hit around the 50% retrace, and now we're just continuing to hold some sort of upsloping support, as you can see right here. Okay, teal trend line. Got it? That's it, man. That's all it is. What's up, Justin King, man? How you doing, man? No, there were literally people that did short at my entry at 33.43. And it's hilarious, dude. It's like, wow, you're dumb. Like, really? Shorting at my entry? Good luck, dude. Well, dang, dude, that was fast. Thanks for the 200 likes, man.
Is that a joint?
Thank y'all. Holy crap, man. Y'all are fantastic. Really appreciate that. We did it, man. Competing against the one troll, right? It's a community versus a troll. Okay, so good luck on that one. I think the guy's just buying dislikes now. It's fine. It's like whatever. It's just like, okay, dude, you're out of your mind, crazy psycho. But hey, I'm glad I live rent-free in his mind, dude. I don't know. It's weird, dude. Like that someone's so obsessed with me. They're obsessed with me, dude. It's crazy. Brian, I already have, man. I already have. Thanks, Marcus, dude. Kangs, dude. Kangs. Yeah, Gordon Gecko, man. We looked at XRP a little while ago. Yeah, it was bringing the upside. It was nice, man. Literally, it's kind of inverse head and shoulders, Bradford was saying. Something like that.
I don't know, man. Crazy world, dude. Things have kind of died down a little bit, so it doesn't seem so, it's not so lit anymore, right? So it's like, guess the party's over, man. Is the party over? Is that it, dude? No big deal to me, man. Again, been live like 3 hours now. Do we want marathon stream? If we could have it, I just don't know, man. Don't know if it's going to be the best option. Okay. Hey, BNB Bozo, man. Thanks for the 5.89 XRP, dude. XRP tip bot, dude. Really appreciate that, man. Thank you, dude. Gangs, man. Gangs. Much love, bro. It's like dead. Get it, one man? I do get it, man. XRP Connect. Came crypto. Exactly. Holy crap. There you go, private wins, man. Marathon, dude. Maratron. I don't know, man. Lost a lot of my endurance, but that has to do with just like, I don't know, the changes, the ebbs and flows of the markets and stuff, man. Okay, it's hard to keep going, dude. TR fun guy. Caucasian, dude. Oh my god, man. Too much, man. Too much tonight. Chad, if you're high on marijuana, type 1. If you're not, type 2. Alright. That's it. I'd like to see how many people are actually doing the marijuana. So, okay. Everyone's greened out? Yeah, I guess so, man. Bitcoin's now in the red on this 4-hour candle, dude. Wow, dude. Wow. Sorry, man. Is this it, dude? Is the cipher still in play? Is it still viable? Look at this, man. Huge hammer, bearish hammer going on. Thor would be happy with this. Jeez, dude, so much rejection. And rejection at these levels, dude. Roll your joint. That's right, Crypto Cracker, man. That's right, dude. We got a decent amount of ones, dude. Private one says 2, man. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. You're such a square. Eduardo, man. Such a square, dude. XRP to BTC is not broken out, dude. No, we're still looking for the entry. Okay, it is not. We looked at it at the beginning of the stream earlier, many hours ago, but not sure. So it's all good, man. It's all good, man. What's up, Crypto Kiwi, dude? Thanks for tuning in, man. From Mordor. Glad you made it, man. But unfortunately, Bitcoin is creating its own tower. Scrub tower. Alright. But nice channel, though. Nice channel, man. So close to respecting. The top of the channel is like 4162. We didn't get there. So, dude, remember this, dude. Alright? I have this here. But remember, 786, where is it? 786 is right there, dude. Okay, is this the stop punt for the beginning of the scrub out, the real scrub out? I don't know, man. Really don't know. What's the most likes I've had in one live stream? Almost 1,000. Episode 142. Check it out. It was the stream, the most legendary tip war in the history of Probably YouTube. I don't know. I really think it was the most legendary. Literally, out of all the YouTube live streamers that exist right now, I don't think there was a more legendary tip war that existed between two men ever. And really the most legendary stream. Episode 142, check it out if you have not before, okay? It's in my archives of videos, alright? Go take a look, man. It's a long one. So buckle up. Thanks, Mr. President, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Kangs, dude. That'd be hilarious if you really did, man. Because that's something that someone would deserve if they do what they're doing, right? Spouting out a bunch of racism and trolling and stuff like that, you know. And if you want to, say this live stream ends and you're a new sub, and you want to keep the conversation going, be sure to hit up our Discord, okay? Make sure to join our Discord. If you have questions about technical analysis, the entire community is there. This live stream chat is all up in there, so join us, man. Over right around 1,200 members strong and growing every single day, all right? And that's the best way you can get in contact with me, too. Your questions or something, right? Start just getting this adjusted. Jeff isn't sure. Remember when time back as a time, man? I remember, dude. You remember that tip war, Ryan Neal, dude? It was legendary. No, it's not epic. Legendary, dude. Like, it literally is probably the most that exists on YouTube live streaming. Like, there's probably not one that is higher than that or crazier than that. So no. One man army, dude. That was like literally. I actually got, HOC actually paid me for that amount. So, no, that was like back in like April of last year, dude. I know it's been a long time. That was the Mr. Damon. So, actually, yeah, it was good. World War II War was pretty epic too. Yeah, that was awesome. But once we went nuclear, Julia, once we went nuclear, that was all she wrote, right? A trend change? We're talking about game crypto. Trend change what? What do you mean? 1 minute, 40 seconds left to the 4-hour candle close. What will happen, man? What will happen? Not really good that this is going on. Like that gravestone doji stuff. No bueno, man. It was the tip war to end all tip wars. So we've really not had many tip wars because of those nights. It's weird, dude. All right, man. I don't know. It's something that's through 3 hours on the dot right now. Bitcoin 1 minute to close. 4,090 is the price. Some divergence going on the MACD, and it's the weekend. All right. It's midnight Eastern time, and yeah, man. I just don't. I don't know what to tell you, man. It's been a weird one. It's been a green one. For sure. All right. So 420. It's been fun with y'all. Okay. So what I might just do is just turn on some music and just if you want me back, you know how to get me back. You truly do know how to get me back. But little. Speaking of Mr. Damon, holy crap, man!
Is that a joint?
Happy 420, my Jesus peeps. Love you guys. Do not get tracked.
Love you too, Mr. Damon, man. There's a $5 contribution to Gangs. Much love, bro. Thanks for all the support. Mr. Damon is the man who got me the Herman Miller, dude. My back was killing me. I thought, oh man, I just have bad problems with my my back. I guess I'm just getting older. But no, then then Mr. Damon hooked me up with the funds for the Herman Miller, brand new Herman Miller. And I'm like, wow, I don't have back problems. Holy crap. I thought I did. Nope. I just had a bad chair. And I've been sitting in it ever since. And it's been like 11 months, 10 to 11 months at this point. Understand, man. Love you, dude. Thank you, man, for everything. Okay. All this time for being here, dude. Means a lot. All right. Holy crap. Freaking love y'all. Okay. Really do. Man, it's just so... It doesn't seem like over a year, does it? It really doesn't. How far we've all come as individuals and how we've come as a community. It's been wonderful, man. It's been wonderful. Very happy. So the 4-hour candle has closed. A new one has begun. All right, and we've started the selling now. All right. So we really are hitting that 786 from the high X to C. We're at the 786. So remember that this may have played out. Oh, that's great and all. Let's see how it goes now. The realest of real entry has been hit on the cipher, just saying, despite anything that happens, all right? If City Discounts Minnesota could see us now, I know, dude, I hate it. He's just gone, dude. And people try to reach out to him. He's just gone, dude. Unreal, man. It's really unreal. Okay, so I just you kind of run out of things, man. I got 20 assets plus analyzed this evening. It's been a while, man. All right, so wait for confirmation, right? Wait for confirmation. Confirmation. Dude, need to do a rundown. Need to do a big rundown, all right? Mr. Damon Man, Maha Freedom, True Stoner Man, Theory of Adjectives, Greg H, Julia, Hungry Horse, Peter Walker, Probesman, Jeff, dude, the top Jesus of the evening. Okay, coming in at $146.62, man. Thank you, dude. Phil Centura, dude. Jakester, Jonathan Krause, Mr. Deep, man. Thank you, dude. Armageddon Skunk, J Talks Crypto, Old Grandpa Scratch, Three Lions, Moz, man, Crypto Chef, Greg Morgan, Thanksgiving, Miss Kanatomo, Mr. Anonymous, Jake Growl. No, it was Jake Growl, not Jeff Growl. Sorry. It's Baby Probesman. Vietnamese Laughing Grass, Obi-Wan, OG Kush, Bubba Kush, Beeswaxers. Phil again, man. Thank you, dude. The Fishhead Kush. Kills for a living, dude. Speaking of kills for a living, man. Again.
Chinese coming on BTC? I'm scared, hold me.
Huddle me.
Is that a joint?
Thanks for kills for living. The 444 repeating, of course, dude. Well, you tell me, dude. If we've just hit the 786 and just rejected prices higher than it might be a possibility. Don't rule it out as a scenario or possibility. That's it. I'm just looking at it, X to C. We finally literally hit it. All right. The Conductor, Dan Stylus, dude. And that's it. It's a lot. Y'all are amazing. I just don't even know. Okay. Don't even know what to say. Truly grateful for y'all. This community is definitely one of the best things that exists on the internet, okay? Best communities that exist on the internet, all right? So, thanks, Renee. Love you too. Well, you know, you said love you too, but you get it. Sorry. Anyway, so, really appreciate y'all. Y'all give me purpose in this world that is ever so crazy, all right? So if you keep coming back, I will keep coming back. You got my word on that, all right? So until next time, happy 420 episodes. Respect the T.A. Thanks, everybody, man, for the 420 contributions to our charity. It's not that, man. I can't.
Is that a joint?
Hey, go to the next one for this. I get to tell about that. Buggers already, I'll tell about the double such as what about time.
Is that a joint?
stream number 420.
Shruba claiming the last tip of episode 420 with a 420 contribution. Oh my god, and it just happens to be Litecoin. Thanks, Shruba, the last contribution of 420. Look at it. Gangs. WRAY.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.